niga nya ni wa muhungu w'umurwa what's up Kigali let's go hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaga kozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaga kozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo hakuruka wikina shakisha ikintu ukora rekana no guhinda isi ni mu gahinda nabonye abantu benshi batakaje icyizere barakubitwa cyane bakabaye baceka iby'iyi minsi ubona ejo siko bihora nyamara byibuze gerageza upfurindwanya ukwishinga y'uwundi ayawe ngo asigare amaraso umuntu ava burya nawe niyumva umwuka uhumeka nawe niwe uhumeka umuntu akize ate wowe ukennye gute aho tekereza ahangaha urwane n'igisubizo indushyi z'ikigali uba wibaza uko zibaho kandi hari abarya gatatu baba birizariza karonda k'umutindi burya apfa kuba atarwaye ejo muzabisika n'ujya ubona nahamwaye mu gihe babatunzi bino bahora bahuma yahuriraga huma niyo wenda nta gahunda hari igihe ukubitana n'umugisha w'ibunza switi ntigukange rahura n'ingeri zose nibwo ubona ko nta gisekeje ureka imishinyiko najyaga numva kera nk'iyo sakiza urakira ariko nkabona hari n'abava mu batindi bakaza bagafata bagatunga bikagwira hari n'abandi mbona bakomoka mu ngaga bakamagirwa ukabona bapfuye urw'agahinda gusa tuvuge ko hari ibyo baba birengagije cyangwa ibanga riba ribiswe n'umubyeyi ukuzi iyi minsi ntabyo isano rekana na suhuma nyarukira ku rukada birutse imbura ibyo batsimbye yije nazo n'iy'umwuka yushwashwasura hunahuna abatuzi icyenda batubonye twiruka imihanda kibunoma amaguru bamwe banapfuka amababa shitani ni umukobanyi ameze nka serukiranyi niba ujya kwihagarika ukabanza ugasura menya ko ushaje reka kwimaringa mu mihanda inzara iravuza ubuhuha ku nyandiko nk'izi zihora zikumirwa ngo isi yasubiye ibwana kibuga cyafashwe bugwate nabo b'uburofa hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaga kozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaga kozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo musoja mu mirwa nafunga umwuka nagupapa nakima afite zose akazitanga ngatabare nakuye imbaraga mu manongo nzahure hadiko bana bo mu rugo nibaze basome kuri izi nyandiko barapikise kandi nk'imishwi irashya urutoki yahumva byinshi uzibe urekura ibikwiye nushaka uca amarenga wahawe amatwi azumva irikiranye ibibazo bivanzemo imihiriko abyara upigapiga zizinukwe zibikwame irapuri nk'umukwege ndatutubiza byabageneho bakirengagiza nubwo batabikina ariko baba babibonye ndimo ndomonganira mu misozi y'i Kigali imyotsi biracumba mu bibuno by'ibipeti nirwisiringaho cometse masika ibizinga akenshi iyo udatinya burya ugera ku ntsinzi nirupfa kwayo uwitabitse musigira ishyundu nibyinshi tsimbye kuri taburo yanjye y'ubwonko ni kwa kurekura bunyibunyi isi nimwihangana ushaka ikibazo atera urutoki muha ijambo mugabanya akarindi twabaririye ubunyano hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaga kozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaga kozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaga kozi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo.
The Truck Slayer.
Smartphone yawe yaraguhenze none ngwishyize mu maboko atabyigiye ngo bayigukorere oya yishyira abatekinisiye b'umwuga ba Isatech iherereye mu mujyi kwa Makuza ahateganye n'umusigiti bayigukorere kinyamwuga muri Isatech bakora telefone z'ubwoko bwose muri serivisi zikurikira gukora cyangwa gusimbura bateri gusimbura screen yangiritse gukora cyangwa gusimbura aho ucomeka charger kuri telefone charging port, gukora kamera itagikora neza cyangwa kuyisimbura. Tunagufitiye abatekinisiye bakora za projecteri kandi uzadusanga na accessoires za telefone nka covers, chargers, screen protectors, camera protectors. Sanga Isatech ku mbuga nkoranyambaga za Instagram, TikTok na Facebook. Wanaduhamagara kuri 0785 104 091.
banyarwandakazi, ku munsi wa none ndababoneye igisubizo. Ese waba ukeneye umuntu wagukorera ibikoresho byo mu nzu, harimo nka TV stand, ibikoni byo mu nzu bigezweho, amagarderobe, imiryango igezweho, utubati, yewe si ibyo gusa, yubaka n'ama office, akanubaka n'amafarumasi ndetse n'ibindi byinshi bitandukanye. Uwo nta wundi ni Cedric Furniture. Umushaka wamusanga hano mu Gakinjiro ka Gisozi muri Adarwa. Ku bindi bisobanuro wahamagara nimero uri kubona kuri ekra yawe, cyangwa se ukadukurikirana kuri Instagram kuri Cedric Furniture and Interior Design.
Bakubwe Eric Tech yaje nk'igisubizo ku banyarwanda.
Nari mfite ibibazo by'ibikoresho byanjye by'ikoranabuhanga byari byarananiye pe.
Ariko aho nagereye kwa Eric Tech ibikoresho byanjye byose by'ikoranabuhanga karakemutse.
Eric Tech ubu ndishimye ni wabyumva.
Kwa Eric Tech bazananjye Sankara ajya gukoresha.
Tubafite ibikoresho
ni naho tugurira ibikoresho byose za laptop, desktop,
laptop,
amakamera zino za CCTV cameras
yabiri by'amanyarwanda ndetse n'itagendanwa cyangwa desktop guhera ku 80,000.
Ntabwo ari ibyo gusa, tubafite CCTV cameras zicunga umutekano wawe cyangwa se mu kazi kawe. Ibikoresho byose by'ikoranabuhanga byananiranye tubikora mu kanya nk'ako guhumbya bikaba bishya
mu masegonda make cyane. Kwa Eric Tech
akira abanyeshuri bashya mu bijyanye na IT, electronics ndetse
kandi igitangaje kwa Eric Tech bigisha computer ariko ku mafaranga make cyane
n'ibindi
ku giciro nk'icy'umuneke
hagati y'isoko na station
cyangwa se mu mujyi kwa Rubangura.
Ni mutugane tubafashe kuko dufite ibikoresho byongera ubumenyi bwanyu.
Amarembo yacu arakinguye.
Ku bindi bisobanuro hamagara nimero ziri kuri ekara yawe.
Nimero ni izo ngizo 0782510099 Eric Tech niwe muvugana noneho. Urumva ibaza nawe Sankara mbavuze ni banyarwanda mujyana abana banyu kwa Eric Tech bakora iki? Bahinduke ba Bill Gates biga computer quand même encore présent. Aya arachaye da premier for real. Filiba yiswe ngwichima is a take cover. Bagaba nka Scott Adkins batugabo nyinshi cyane usigi signature signature ubwo mugiye kuriraho ngo ntago yize. Urumva signature bona batiguye ntushaka kuvuga signature amacha imacha uko bishaka. Urumva bona batiguye yiswe take cover banje kuna kumwita boy kama zanja kulitwa Scott Adkins.
Do you believe in God?
Ati wizerera mu Mana tangira uvuga abaza mugenzi ngo do you believe in God?
Fuck you.
Kiryaga panda.
Completely serious.
Ari serious cyane.
Fuck you.
Ngabase ngo kiryaga panda. Ntabagabo ebyiri. Bari kuri za by nature baza byashomeri.
You do your usual and blather on about
Ati mwana nukamangamira kenshi ni mu kazi nkaka ntago bashaka umuntu mvugisha amagabo menshi.
gorgeous babes in hot.
Mo ndabona imbere y'abana batoya n'abasniper ebyiri yo kuganira.
Oh yeah, right.
Ndakumva mwana ibyo uvuga no kuri.
Everything I want to do while lying next to you.
Ata kenshi ibyo nshaka gukora byose akenshi bashaka kubikora nkuryamye iruhande.
Envision nude women to the point of arousal.
Akenshi nirebera nk'abagore bambaye ubusa turi kumwe mwana bari atari.
Make it weird. I didn't make it weird. I'm just
Ngana nakuvuga ibintu bidasanzwe.
that's all.
Okay, fine.
Byo sawa ntacyo bitwaye.
Baseball or something.
Basiganira uburyo twagiye kuri match ya baseball cyangwa ibindi.
Baseball's boring as fuck.
Mana baseball iraboa. Ase wonu mpolisi ari marafabuna mudamu. Wikoreye akambwe ati
The only thing more boring about baseball?
ikintu kiboa kuri baseball.
Talking about baseball.
Ati abantu bavuga nka baseball bayiganiraho.
Random bunkmates.
Ati bana twe turi inshuti magara.
Luck of the draw.
Ntabwo turi bunkmates.
I don't believe in luck.
Ntabwo nizera mahirwe. Usibye ko nizera mu Mana n'umwe ati I don't believe in luck but I believe in God.
But you do believe in God.
Ese bazo byo wizera mu Mana. Niba utizera mahirwe. Araka Scott Adkins. Yesu Kristo.
Talk about this, huh?
Bari binagozwe ko tubiganiraho. Ese wowe wizera mu Mana basi.
I know.
Ntabwo mbizi.
Why I'm asking. I'm just
Sinzi mpamvu uri murambaza bigusa.
wondering about it all, I guess.
Alright, okay.
Sawa nta kibazo byo wizera byose ntacyo bitwaye.
And when did this happen? Was it when you were up to your chin in tits and ass at some whore?
barasiriza mbere n'abasirikare bombi ariko ntabwo wambaye imyenda ya gisirikare wasanga n'abacancuro atsuko zaura muri Bangkok bizagenda neza.
Think about this shit.
Si mwana ageze utekereza kuzakora kuva na mbere.
What? God and shit? No.
Imana n'umwana bihuriye wapi mwana ngwize ntekereza ko umunsi umwe zabarimo nakora kano kazi.
Why are you interested in this all of a sudden?
Ese basi ugeze ubigira amatsiko y'akazi tuzakora umunsi umwe.
It's natural to wonder about the job.
Ati ni ibintu bisanzwe gushidikanya ku kazi.
I know you don't.
No.
Ndabizi ko utajya ubitekerezaho.
Wanna know why?
Nshakwibaza impamvu nanjye.
Because
hasi arasanga bari myigaragambyo bano bari kuri za binacura.
you're an asshole.
Hata kazi kose nakora akapfa kuba kari productive. Ikibintu ukora akazi kari non productive katabyara umusaruro. Niko kabaza teko cyo kamaze.
So what do you think happens after we die?
None se mwana cyayibaza ikizaba nyuma yuko dupfuye.
Nothing happens.
Nta kijya kiba no zaje azabiki.
Nothing?
Ntacyo.
No.
Nta kimwe.
Alive. Dead.
Chonzi cyo nuko umuntu abari muzima mu nyuma gapfa nyuma yaho rero sinzi biba. Nibyo nabindi.
You believe in nothing?
Kuki wizera ngaho nta kizabaza. Ntago ari byo navuze.
Exactly what you
No,
said.
Nibyo wavuze mbati wimvugira ibyo navuze.
Say that. What I said
Winamika amagambo mwana.
happens after we die.
Icyo navuze nuko nta kiba nyuma yuko dupfuye. Kuko already batwapfuye ntago uzi ibikurikira.
So, what is it?
None se niki kiba?
Do or you don't believe?
Nuko utizera cyangwa nuko wizera.
Pick one.
Remember
Itama
what
kimwe.
the instructor said when somebody hands you a weapon and claims it's not loaded?
Ati mwana uzukuntu byemera kenshi mfatse intwaro ugiye ku rugamba mu nyuma ukabona kitari loaded inama zasarimo.
Verify then trust.
Atariko mu gisiga batwigishije ikintu kimwe verify and then trust. Ujye ubanza verify intwaro wikoreye hanyuma wizera uyigwaye ariko amaje gukora iki ku verify. Muri make nungahabwa intwaro ugiye ku rugamba ngo upfe kwizera ko iri loaded. Tabanje ku verify.
Go.
Tangiye gutekereza neza.
God. Still waiting for verification.
Rero nanjye ugiye kumbaza iby'Imana, Imana nzabanza verify ko ari bone mbone gukora iki nyizeri.
Yeah, I hear that.
Ibyo ndabyumva.
Sometimes.
Rimwe rimwe najya nibaza.
Hello. We got movement.
Bana ndabona hari umuntu utamubuja.
Black SUV.
Ndabona imodoka ya black SUV. Imodoka irinzwe.
Fucker.
Musenzi ndamubona.
You sure this is our guy?
Acheka rero tugomba kurasa.
Like he's lost a lot of weight.
Mana barananutse nimba ari nawe.
Positive.
Hano hari abanyamakuru benshi batandukanye.
I think he might be right.
Ndacyo kushaka kubyo uvuga ari ukuri.
Time.
Tujye dukora ibirori rero.
Mercs. This prick brought his own private army.
Senzi yazanye ingabo ziri private.
Does it look?
We got a lot of eyes on this, but yeah.
Ndabona hari abantu benshi batandukanye. Hazi n'imodoka nayo ku ruhande. Umuntu uje baza ari umuntu ukomeye sinzi ashinzwe iki. Haza undi mukobwa ku ruhande nawe urinzwe. Ava mu yindi modoka.
Oh.
Wow.
Woohoo!
Ane atware bwana.
Oh shit.
Nganda.
Oh my god, that must be his newest toy.
Banza ari agakinisho gashaje kari agakobwa. Turakwamaganye umwicanyi. Ubwo bari kwamagana. Kobwa cyangwa ari professional.
He's just with him because of his winning personality, don't
Nta wamenye ibyuri ya mukobwa urumva nayo hari cyamuzanye.
more than we make.
Nta mukobwa upfa gurana umugabo nta giciro gihari. Tayari kwa rubanda.
Northwest.
Zirasomana.
3 miles per.
Mutangira kumbara hano miles sasu ryagendamo.
Copy that.
Ndakumva.
Zoning in.
Ndema ndakurura neza. Tayari umugabo. Mugabo wanza kwitsa umutima. Bare yukarasa. Muvandi bikore. Ara marwa yaciyo nyine. Yararashe umugabo. Kumbe. Umukobwa. Yari tambitse abari baha. Barizo bana imbunda. Nganda. Rashe umukobwa kurashe umugabo. Manda mwishe mwana. Ntago barashaka cyahumeka.
God, focus.
Man focusing arasa. Ndasubira mwana dukeneye.
He's not leaving her. She's not just a fuck.
Ntago ari veje ya mukobwa.
Hand.
Umwana fikira focus ku kiganza cyawe. Upima urutwe rw'umugabo. Ngabanza kwitsa imitima. Yewe, aramurasha burasiye karubanda.
Take the shot.
Pima mwana. Umeka. Umwice.
God damn it, you have to take.
Vuba. Oh.
Bingo.
Kiza cyane.
That's a confirmed kill.
Sankara turamurangije bive mu nzu tucomoke.
Fine, fine. Tell me.
Mwana gira vuba. Barangije. Ati ibikoresho byabo. Basore ebyiri. Basore bato. jobira abasirikare babonye babari bari hejuru muri etaje nabo bazamuka hejuru bakurikira abamaniga turore bayise take cover. Vuba tunguza uburyo umwete raka basore ebyiri. Nanda bageraho u Rwanda ruherera mani turanaburije. Urebeka muri Beirut. Twakongera tukabikora bwa dushaka ikintu cy'ishuka. Mani muri Beirut ntabwo ishuka yakoze. Mani navunitse ukirenge. None ni yarayana cyane. Haraguru muri Beirut ngo bajya bakoresha amashuka imitaka ariko amashuka y'ubwoko bwa silky. Silka shit. Basore zivayo. Benjira hakuno. Nta mutaka bari kuri etaje hejuru. Bana nkurikire. Ndani. Turore. Baratsa. Hayiwe mama cyubwacari. Mama jya ku ruhande. Bagabo zivayo. Bana Sam tuza hamwe. Abagara Sam sinzi nindi. Tayare. Basore bana bwe.
Sorry.
Yahangane mama mwihangane. Iyi niyo job yitwa iryankurye. Bete nyangwe chenye. Police night zamu. Mumbishara abantu barasaneza yarwa leta ngaza makuru. Bahise ba posting. Vuba. Basore baramanuka. Baciye mugenza waciki. Haca bapagasi. Bahenguka hakuno. Raka. Bakatya baramwa basenzi mwe.
Take it easy.
Mugenza gace mwana.
Easy.
Mujene gace.
We give up.
Basore bombi.
Thoughts?
Hari kiri gutekereza mwana. Sibye kuraburiza.
Slow.
Yenda gace. Tayare. Kick. Yuri. Nachari wa wundi. Nakubwiye. Bagabori ndwanyi. Muri bitandatu byawe ku giti. Urya show. Nakubwiye. Box. Mangumi. Bagabo. Bose n'indwanyi. Bapagasi. Mutwe. Birimira. Yabwe. Bara ducoboke. Batsimunda ya vuba. Nakubwiye firimira. Tuitangiye. Barakomeza. Tinzamo. Arakora gwiki.
Trust me on this one, okay?
Ani namaya dufite nyizera mwana. Trust me on this. Bageza ha?
No. Hey,
Oya.
call this a leap of faith.
Bane bingiye byo gufata ngaro ukwizera nta kundi. Ndani mahitamo. Baza hakuno. Wa mbere arasimbuka. Ndamugenzi arakurikira. Bajya hakuno kugikamyo. Mbireza igishitingi. Bandi barinzi bavayo. Abasenzi baza wapi? Umadare kamyo bagende bagiriya. Bejanya bushozi.
I told you Beirut would have worked.
Nakubwiye ategereko muri Beirut yakabayikoze. Hari byabaye muri Beirut. Arakuntu bagiye gusimbuka etaje bifashishije amashuka y'ubwoko bwa silky. Sasa ko bagatashye. Bice hakuno mu ndege.
It was a good kill, Sam.
Bani Sam wapimye neza. Sasa Sam baza yisha umuntu. Base nkaho naye mwayibonye film itangira.
That woman, she was breathing.
Ati bano ya mugore warashe n'umutindo yo kwarashe mutago bakwica yarakiri marahumeka. Ntago yapfuye.
I saw it.
Nabibonye mwana.
And even if she wasn't, she was lip-locking with an arms-dealing terrorist.
Ariko mwana kama nubwira mudamu wabana mwishere maradiringa n'ikihebe. Kiba gicuruza intwaro.
Guy was a
Arms dealing terrorist.
shit deluxe.
Aida nakigomba kwicuza ndabyumva.
Yourself in front of a bullet to save him then, Ken.
Mane uriya mukobwa byanga byakurukundo byagaragaye mbonye mbere yuko ndase kwese yitambikira kira kihebe.
Why would she do that?
Niya mpamvu atuma uriya mukobwa yitangira ikihebe. Ese ahabwa ngana iki?
Maybe she didn't.
Wasanga atana mwitangiye.
Slipped.
She didn't slip.
Yabaye accident. Ntabwo byari accident.
Right at me.
Yabanje kundeba, she was looking right at me.
She saw what I was about to do and
Yabonye ibyo nagiye gukora kuko
She wouldn't know what she was looking at.
uriya mukobwa ntabwo arazi ibyo areba. Uriya mukobwa simujya gisirikare yabimenya ati.
She's a hooker.
Uriya mukobwa n'abakobwa bigurisha.
A high-priced one, but...
Wasanga ari bya bikobwa wenda bimaze kuzamura ibiciro. Afite abahemba agatubutse.
she threw herself in front of a bullet to
Mafaranga bwoko ahabwa ku buryo yakwitangira umuntu.
protect him.
Agasa nkaho yamurindaga.
Now, if he was such a terrible person,
Man, umuntu nkuriya w'umunyabyaha mubi cyane.
why would she do that?
Niyo bava tumura mukobwa mwitangira.
Doesn't matter. It was a good kill.
mani ibyo ntabwo ari ngombwa icyambere nuko wapimye umuntu twagomba kwica.
That's what we do.
Ibyo ryo dukora.
The first time.
Mani nakumvisha bwa mbere wibisubiriramo. Wikomeza kubivuga buri kanya.
If he was a solid, upstanding citizen, he would have never been a target in the first place.
Turiya mukobwa nawe kandi iyaba ari umuturage usanzwe ntabwo akaba yitangiye icyevuze ngo bose bisa nkaho bari baziranye.
If she didn't want to catch a bullet,
iyo badashaka kuraswa,
she should have been in fucking bed with him.
yakaba ari mu buriri aryamye.
That makes her dirty.
bivuze ngo n'umwana ni umunyabyaha.
It's simple.
Hadiringa gikisi. Wabonye ngo rubani bagasobanura imbere itangazamakuru abantu bose yose bareba. Ntacyo bikanga. Barabiziranyeho. Jensi maniga byarambabaje. Bwa mbere no kurasa mugenzi byabanje kumunanira. Tam arimo arahamagara. Akira muvugane.
Yeah.
Ego. Kongeza amafege.
Hey Sam, I heard it was rough.
Bite Sam, numvise ko bitari byoroshye.
Yeah.
Cyane?
Okay.
Meze neza se?
Yeah. Great.
Meze neza cyane.
Collateral damage, Sam.
Ati bayitekana namba ari baramuza akajorite.
You need to talk to someone.
Ariko ugomba gushaka umuntu muganira.
I don't need a fucking shrink, Tam, okay?
Tam nta muntu nyene ntabwo nyene zo congo zawe unyereza. Nta bikobwa nyene biza kunturisha. Sawa ndabyumva.
I'm here, but trust me, we are righteous on this.
Ati ndahari rwose kandi muyizere ko ibintu twakoze byari ibyanya byari bikwiye. Ntagomba kwicuza ibyakoze ko umuntu utwishe twagomba kumuvana mu nzira nabamu akazi.
Think so?
Niko biceka se.
On my life, I would not have put you in a situation like that if it weren't.
Ati rwose umusore muto unyizere ndakuyoboye ntabwo naguca muri situation idahwitse cyangwa zidakwiriye. Ibintu nakoze byari bikwiye.
Doesn't make it any easier, does it?
Nta kintu na kimwe byanyumvisha.
Or I go down easy. So easy.
Mwana bigenze gake n'ubundi byarangiye nta kisubiza inyuma.
Listen.
Sam nyumva neza.
Take some time off.
Banza ufate akaruhuko.
There's nothing on the horizon.
Nta bintu bijya byenda kenshi nkuko tubyifuza. Banza utahe mu rugo uburuhutse.
See when I resurface, okay?
Sawa ndaza gusubiza numva ameze neza. Genza mutanzo raporo yuko adatuje.
What?
Ekis.
Dick.
Banu rumusika bro.
And?
Hanyuma. Kuba no musika mehindure iki? Erega no kugira ubwenge nta karaga hato. Jazire bwatinze bavuye mu ijobu. Baza hakuno.
Grab a bite to eat, a beer.
Reka tukajya gusanyira n'akabyeri. Ndatumeze neza.
I was just fucking around with all the God talk, you know.
Got nothing.
Mani naganiraga nabirenze mwana. Keni bireke.
All right.
Ni bamushuti.
Why don't you come to Amsterdam?
Ese mwana wazasuye muri Amsterdam.
Get laid.
Tukajya hasi tukadukorana imyitozo tugasangira ububyeri.
Yeah.
Mani bifata umuntu ukiri muri high school.
If you're still in high school.
Rero ukiri muri high school.
I understand what you're saying is that.
Mani byumva ndabyumva gusa.
Whole refusing to grow up, is that it?
Mani n'umuntu umuswa waze gukura ku ngufu.
Why don't you go fuck?
Gukura rega ntago ari imbaraga wagiye ukiryaga pando. Mwana urakuze ariko ntago wifata nk'abantu bakuze.
Hey, you went cockeyed. It's not the first time.
Ntago ari ubwa mbere umbwiye ayo magambo nta nubwo binantunguye ariko bibaye byizaza muri Amsterdam. Tukaba turi kumwe tukanjoyinga tukajyana ibihe byiza. Boss basize imodoka zabo ziri hakuno. Tayari. Byo birarangira ariko mugenzi Samba mwaye akaruhuko ngo agenda banza tuze muri we. Yarashe umuntu mugenzi biramubabaza. Cyake nicyo gihora muri blague nacyo nabikibwiye. Bwatinze. Minsi zarageze irihirika. Buriya kenshi abantu bashaka kujya muri car vacation ava mu mujyi akajya ahantu mbari mu cyariyo. Niko abantu benshi baruhuka mu mutwe ugahungura urusaku rwa Kigali. Kajya nyine mbari ya mbari. Ariko igitangaje vana ngo giye mu karuhuko kagiye Gisenyi. Hari urusaku kure kurunza rw'ubusizi Kigali. Tayare maniga izi hakuno majama uriya. Aha wenda nka Bugesera Nyabwishongo yizi Nyaga White. Hirya ukagenda kabace impande y'inka. Urumva nubwo nawe hinduka menka gake ariko nta kibazo. Nta muntu nutse. Genze maniga hakuno 50 aho yukoze iki? Aza kuruhukira. Fata inka hakuno akaza kwasinkwi. Hey, ni therapy. Ariya therapy ubwo navuga mu Kinyarwanda na. No buryo bumwe bwo kuba batuza mu mutwe. Kenya yatangiye kujya hamagara mu nshuti imbere hakuno harimo arasi biti tayari. Nakitozo. amasaha y'icuma yamara kwitunganya fata akabyeri nk'ibisanzwe. Buriya abantu babazi ukuntu bakorera amafaranga yabo nuko bayarya, ariko disiki buriya abanyafurika nako reka gutunga abantu intoki. Buriya gusirimukana ibintu bizagora abantu. Umuntu akorera amafaranga yajya kuyarya akajya kwiyica bro, ukajya kwiyahuza bya surudu wirukankwa ibiyoga ukiyica ukaza kweri amafaranga yakuriye yiki. Kumwe inzoga senepa ntaga ntakibazo kirimo, aho unywa n'inzoga zisirimutse zisobanutse. Kumbe nyirabuja Tamara atangira guhamagara aramumyoringa. Arabana baje b'iminsi ngo bazi icyongereza ngo muting no kumumyoringa. Amaze kumumyoringa za hakuno kuzibura imbunda. Buriya ngo imbunda imaze iminsi nayo itagira iragira ikaziba arazibura itarasa. Kwa abantu baza kuruhuka kuriya akorera amafaranga ye akiraho. Maniga haje Wolf yakuze imaze gukurira agendera hora. Shaka rero filime sasa. Maniga shiramo. Arebye Wolf kunireba amaso yayo rimwe n'umweru dede irindi buriya kurebana n'inyamaswa mu mazi ugatubona ko ari inyamahoro. Rangije erikomereza.
Happy hunting, friend.
Tugira umuhigo mwiza nshuti. Happy hunting, friend. Telefoni irongera sona. Bwa mbere yahamagawe arayimyoringa. Barongera baramuhamagara. Yitonze.
Hey, Tam.
Yego Tam. Nyirabuja.
I'm good. What's up?
Ya meze neza meze bite?
Oh, you know, just hanging out.
Ya ndahangamba nibereye mu rugo. Bikijya mbere. Aha, yego. Bwatinze. Nimba ari ndi job yabonetse. Ku buryo urwara vuba vuba. Tayari kumeza rwa mushuti. Uyiwe ngo yanze gukura.
Fucking service.
Bwara rwose ahisemo gufata ikirere.
How many emails and texts are you going to ignore from me?
Bwara uzanca maze kujya ngwandike ama email ama message.
You know your girlfriend was almost losing her fucking mind because you're out.
My girlfriend mother kwandika nunamusubiza.
I'm sure he was going to show up.
Bane oyera Tamara mwubaki kuri inshuro.
This would be here. Oh.
Ntabwo nahise ko rwose munemera akaza ko Tamara wamwemereye.
You see, you had faith.
Tafite ibyiringiro ndabikunze nabyo.
2 words for you. Blow me.
Oh.
Agamba biri basazi wawe mesa.
Fuck you.
Oh, fuck you.
Kiryaga paro naye kiryaga pando.
Fuck you.
Kiryaga paro nawe. Ni bwatinze. Bozana hakuno. Dore umugi. Baba ni gabaye witata we.
Frankfurt.
Baba ze muri Frankfurt.
So how was Amsterdam?
Mana Amsterdam meze gutese.
New low in terms of sexual excess.
Tusibye ikintu cyari cyaraneze no kugakubita nta kindi.
Very hungover.
Mane rwose ntangova yarandenze kubera kugakubita cyane. Wamunanira uterwa n'amayoga.
Tam, say anything else?
Ariko Tamara yabakugese.
About the job.
Uri ko maze bijyanye n'akazi se?
No, about
Oya. Nabijyanye nanjye nyine.
about me.
Naje nakumbwiye Tamara. Bamundamu bakazi.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Ndebutse.
Don't forget to pack your binoculars.
Yambwiye ngo nkubwire ngo nibagirwe gupakira za jomeri zawe.
So you can see your tiny cock.
Kugira ngo ujye ukurura akabanda yawe gatoyi.
No.
Shoferi agenda yisekera.
Why?
Ngo rwihorera muri Braga masazo rwa Ken.
Tam, this morning.
Tamara twavuye muri gitondo.
Is that? After this, I'm done.
Bullshit.
Yambwiye ngo nyuma y'akazi ngo barata bansezerera. No mwanda.
Oh, I'm not joking.
Bana ntabwo ndimo rakina.
Ken. I'm serious.
Ken ndi serious. Tamara twavuye namubwiye nyuma y'akazi ndahita mba retire ndahita mba mu kazi. job ya nyuma nicyo gihe job tuyikoze imyaka 10 n'ingahe almost 20 years so nicyo gihe mbe retired sagabo ziza hakuno mana hano arasa neza ntabwo byumvikana uburyo batuzana hano nkaha
Welcome, gentlemen.
Rakaza neza abagabo komeza imbere babakiriza ibyo kunywa aya mani ibyo ntabwo ari ngombwa Ken wakunda kuryoshya mpoza n'ibikapu byanyu banyakubahwa ntabwo arabyumva babakiriye muri hoteli yeze kandi ni abanyabiraka muswa gusa wenda da cyakene nicyo kikunda kuryoshya amapfa kuba atari mu kazi yego bari byo ntabwo bikwiye nubwo twe nano hari abantu utazi Ken akoresha imvugo zitari sawa mwana ari rwose amapunda menshi aba ari amapunda yose nta punda bitari ipunda rwose uri umuswa birenze uko bikeka gusa ati wenda icyo waba ushaka cyose nta kibazo bantu uri umuntu ushimishije bazugira zitari blague bwari mwe koresha imvugo nziza kandi byari byiza ndabyenjoye nka kuvuga amagambo atameshe babazanye muri hoteli bakana hano buto uracyari urabizi neza ko icyumba aricyo utuzanyemo bakana buto marida akikuraho rwose hano no babateguriye benekira babazanye muri etaje hejuru ahera kuri floor ya nyuma buretse uri sure hano no twagomba gutura cyane rwose no babateguriye icyumba kirimo akabari
Ken, check it out.
Ken, ngwino mwana
Silk sheets.
Yama silk sheet, yama shuka ya silk.
The bed again. I shit the bed once.
Bari tana bari sa mwana. Wera yitu umuntu agikorera byakora byose nacyangiza.
Thank you.
Akira akantu hano hakuno. Babasukira champagne. Ken nibwo buzima bayishakira bworoke.
Damn, she's upgraded us.
Ati rwose no Rwanda rwatamara natunganyirije hano hantu.
Seeing as it's our last run together, it's a present.
Ati rwose ni nkari imana ko ari uwo mukino wanyuma tugiye korana. Wibuko yereza byo Tamara ko ari bukore akazi kanyuma. Sasa Tamara abatunganyiriza ahantu hari VIP ahenze cyane. Ati nubwo nakazi kanyuma tugiye korana. Akira nawe champagne murakoze nago nywa.
Hey, would you mind closing the curtains, please?
Ari cyazo bayifunza ayo marido.
Sunset. We'll be.
Ati arakazuba keza.
It's great.
Mukanya murabwije ariko mwareka.
Thanks.
Yafungiye amarido.
Appreciate it.
Kandi ndabishimye.
Yeah, we'll figure out the rest. Thanks.
Ibindi tuzaza kumenya mu nyuma. Kandi urakoze.
As you wish.
Nkuko mubyifuza.
I'm Mirko.
Baita Mirko.
If you need anything.
Niba ugira icyo mukenera.
Anything. Just call.
Icyo ari cyo cyose muhamagare gusa.
Thank you.
Sawa murakoze. Ngo nyirabuja bateguriye ahantu hari VIP cyane benjoyinga ubuzima. Cyane kumwe rwo kazi kanyuma. Mana urize n'ahantu nkaha.
No. I remember it.
Ndiko mbyibukasha nawe nigeze n'urameze gutyo.
Deja vu.
Habirenze ariko.
I said deja vu in case you missed.
Ndavuze ngo deja vu mwana. Munyuta yishimiye.
Come on.
Gwinan.
Give it to me.
Ndaho basi mereza ibyo ngibyo.
And I'm fucked.
What is
Nanu je kuva mu kazi ngiye kuraburiza. Baravuga ibikize.
I'm a spotter. They don't need me.
Ndi spotter. Ndi umuntu gucungira umuryango gupima ntago banyene njewe.
Shit, you can shoot.
Nawe warasa.
Like you.
Ntago ngora ko narasa ko ntago narasa ngawe. Sasa mugenzi kene maramubwira ati uramuka uvuye muri kano kazi nyina indi job nzabona.
Where are your abilities, do you?
Mwana we nagusumba ubasha bwa n'ubushobozi bwawe.
I've only lasted this long in the company because I partnered well with you.
Ati mwana natinze muri company nyirambamo kubera ko twakoranaga nari partner wana n'umwunganizi wawe.
You! Why do you think Tam flirts with you all the time? You're the best fucking shooter we got. And everybody knows it.
You're selling yourself short.
Being honest. I could think on my feet, get out of tight spots.
I'm
a smooth operator. I'm a way better fuck.
Very.
I ain't you. Nobody is.
It's
a good kill, Sam.
Man, what wish umuntu ya muntu wamwishe neza pe. Nta kusa wakoze.
It was legal.
Ani umunsi biracyamurya.
sanctioned, and just.
bane rwose ibintu wakoze byari bikwiye kandi byari bikwitse.
Why can't you just fucking get that?
Sinzi niba wowe utabyiyumvishe buryo cyo wakoze akazi keza.
That woman sacrificed herself, Ken, okay? She sacrificed
Ken nikangubwira umugore yitangiriye umugabo aramupfira.
herself.
Ibu byose ninde bireba.
Did you do that for someone?
For that
Ese wowe wakwitangira umuntu?
motherfucker?
No, I mean-
Umusenzi ngura nabikora.
For anyone.
Ndakubaza hari umuntu we wakwitangira.
Say what?
Who?
You
Yes.
fucking ass clown!
Wewe nakwitangira basi.
Exactly my point.
Iyo niyo ngingo yanjye.
And that is why I gotta leave, bro, because
Niyo mpamvu ngomba kuva muri kano kazi.
I'm a risk to you now.
Bane rwose nawe ndi ikibazo.
Understand that I'm a risk to you. The day that I
Mwana nawe ndi ikibazo kuri kubera ko
shot that woman,
umunsi naje uriya mugore
something changed in me,
hari
okay?
ikintu cyahindutse muri njye.
Everything changed.
Kandi ibintu byose byarahindutse.
I'm a different person now.
Mani ndi umuntu utandukanye. Ibintu byo kwicarana birambiwe. Nemereye mabuja gukora kano kazi ariko kanyuma nkahita mva mu ijobu. Cyakeni cyarababaye.
Staring through a scope my whole fucking life, and now I want to see what it's like without it, you know?
Mani sinshaka kuzaba muri ubuzima rwose ndashaka kubaka umuryango nshaka umugore n'ibyarire nimenye ubuzima busanzwe bw'abantu basanzwe.
I'm sorry, bro.
Kandi wihangane bro kuba ngiye kuva muri kano kazi. Kandi wazi ko maniga naramuka avuye muri kano kazi. Nta yandi mafaranga azongera gukoraho.
Really? I am.
Kuko baba bari kumwe niyo mpamvu abona ibiceri. Kandi wihangane bro.
And I get why you feel like that, but I'm done.
Bane sinzi uko bifata ariko akazi nabirangije.
Okay? That's it. I'm out.
Ndana akazi nakavuyemo.
I'm sorry.
Kandi wihangane mwana.
Fuck!
Anda. Sasa sana.
How did Tamara take it?
None se Tamara yabyakiriye ati. Mabuja.
Yeah, well, she wasn't happy.
Ntago nawe byamunejeje.
But, you know, she wasn't surprised either.
Usibye ko nubwo byanamutunguye nubwo bitamunejeje. What they expecting gaga. Wow.
I thought she'd throw a epic shit fit, to be honest.
Ati ntago mabuja yarangira gutyo gusa. Nakubeshye.
To be honest, she said the same thing about you.
Nawe nanjye niko yakumbwiyeho.
Yeah, well, I do love a hissy fit.
Sibye ko mwana nashimye ibyo tujyanye. Nyirabuja ntabwo yabyishimiye.
Really, I am, but
Mwana Ken umbabarire.
just feels like it's time.
Njye ndi kumva aricyo gihe mve muri kano kazi.
So, this is it then?
Bivuze ngo naha kazi turangirije.
This is it.
Nibyo mwana niko bimeze.
One last dance to square us.
Bane dusigaje kubyina imbyino ya nyuma cyangwa se job ya nyuma nkacomoka.
Hell. Nothing lasts forever, right?
Mwana nobone nta biramba iteka.
Got a penthouse,
Akaba ni gashire.
champagne.
Reka twinywera champagne nakundi.
That loves the night. We got what?
Nobone ni ijoro ryatari.
Days before we have to be out in the boonies.
Dusigaje iminsi ngahe mbere yuko tutahindukana.
As well enjoy.
Reka tumwemo. Ntabwo byatuma niheba ku buryo numva ko ubuzima burangiye ko tutandukanye.
You're a good friend.
Mwana njye nawe turi inshuti magara, turi inshuti nziza.
About time you noticed.
Bwa mbere urabisobanukiwe noneho.
I also have a humongous.
Here you go.
Atangira za mvugo
Is
ze.
that what we're gonna do now? We're gonna
None tuzakora
each
iki?
other's sentence.
Well, I'm gonna
Interuro yacu irarangirira hano cyangwa.
have to, right? Because otherwise you're not going to stop talking about it.
Ndabizi tutari burekere kuvuga bakira arabakomanze.
They need one of those cards to get the elevator to this floor.
Harya hari amakarita afungura esanseri.
Yeah.
Baretse gato. Baza hakuno.
God.
Baba nutwuje tubiri.
Hi.
Yewe bite.
Hello.
Hello.
We're here for your massages.
Batwereje ngo tuwakore ka massage. Urebe filime.
A gift from management and your boss.
Ni impano ya management yi hotel hamwe na boss wanyu.
You know the word of the day?
Yeah.
Ijambo ry'umunsi niri. Mwatubwira ijambo ry'umunsi.
Haberdashery?
Haberdashery.
Haberdashery.
Bababwe ari ukuntu abasirikare bagira kode kugira ngo yinjire ahantu. Haba ari nk'ijambo rya kode rigomba kwinjiza aho hantu.
Yeah, we're good.
Tumeze neza.
Come on up.
Sawa mwinjire kandi n'abakingurira.
2 hot chicks.
Bari ibyuki bibiri nk'ibi. Ufuceceka nunda no mupadiri bwawe.
Now I believe in God.
Kenny yikundira gusinda n'abana nta kindi. Kenny.
Oh, yeah.
Iyi niyo sinarotaga. Ayibe.
First class all the way, right?
Mane ibi nibyo narotaga bro. Kumbe uyimeraho nka padiri we.
Tell me you're not gonna miss this.
Nezereke ibintu tazabikumbura.
Not going to miss this.
Yewe sinzabikumbura pe.
Sack of shit.
Bane kubura uryamye gutya umwana yemara ku masa. Urupantaro.
Sorry, what's your name?
Harya mbaburetse gato witwa?
Her name is Mona.
Bamwita Mona.
I am Lily.
Je nitwa Lily.
Mona?
You mind closing the drapes, please?
ariko byabigutwaye biramutse ufunze ayo madirishya.
It gives me an itch having it open, okay? Just please.
Ntabwo aba ari byiza mufungeho.
Whatever relaxes you.
Icyo guha amahoro rwose turagikora. Saa ntacyo bitwaye ifunga ayo marido.
Ready?
Uriteguye?
You know what? I'm not sure I'm up for it.
Sinzi ibyo uri kuvuga ngo niteguriye ibyo ari byo gusa.
I'm not really into it.
Ntabwo mbirimo pe.
What'd I tell you about him?
Naranganje mabwira kuri uyu muvandimwe wanjye.
What'd I say?
Nkuko nabivuze.
His tight ass can't even enjoy a rub and tug.
Uyu niwe muntu utajya wenjenga ubuzima nk'abandi basore bose.
Wanna lay down?
Uretse gato ngumase. Aka kavayo. Baretse gato ngaho n'icara nkwereke.
Over here. Come.
Kwenda hano nkwereke. Nutko cyo wabarere ngo tubakorere massage.
Okay.
Okay. Karangije. Charure bana gutya.
What are we doing here?
Urakora ibiki?
Adjusting your chakra.
Ndimo nareba chakra yawe.
Oh, adjusting my...
Cyangwa se cyo nakutanga igeno.
Oh, she's got hidden talents.
Ukaba sanga afite impano zihishe.
What else can the lovely Mona do, huh?
Ese mbona n'ikindi wakora?
I can tell you your future.
Ushaka kuba nakubwira ahazaza hawe.
Oh, you can?
Wabikora se?
She's a fortune teller.
Yeah, sure.
Uone fortune teller.
Yes.
Gote.
You're wasting your time with him, doll.
Ye mugabo musore urimo aratera turimo arangiza igihe cyawe.
He's a spiritual black hole.
Uwo musenze mu mutima we habamo umwijima gusa sinzi ko wamufatije.
I used to say, everyone has a spirit.
Mama njya kuvuga kumbwira ko buri muntu agira roho cyangwa se umwuka umugendaho.
Whether they believe in it or not.
Sinzi waba ugize cyangwa utabyize ariko nta muntu utagira roho.
Used to read palms.
Mama yakunda gusoma ibiganza.
I learned from her.
Naye nabimwigiyeho.
Oh, not any fortune teller.
Hey, wow, sanga avuga ibintu byazaza.
Next thing I know, you'll be telling me you got a crystal ball.
Ibyo mbwira byose ariko ndumva ufite confidence ariko
course.
ntabwo napfa kubyizera confidence nazifite.
Really?
Get the
Uri serious?
For real?
Munko uri serious wasoma azaza umuntu?
I carry it with me all the time.
Ati ni impano nakuye kuri mama ariko nanyina igihe cyose.
Yeah?
Okay.
For luck.
Kubw'amahirwe.
I will tip you a solid 100 if you show me your crystal ball.
Ngaho bazi nyereka uriya crystal ball cyangwa se ya mipira yerekana impano z'abantu. Ndaguha amadolari 100.
Okay.
Okay, ibyo gusa.
She's literally going to get the ball right now.
Agiye kuzana agapira nonaha. Ni ubupira bukoreshwa n'abitwa ba gypsy cyangwa se ba gypsy bavuga ibintu byazaza. Kubaragira iyo myizerere. Kumbe ko byanya byo umukobwa afite ya crystal ball.
Wizard shit.
Ati wazo sika agapira ko muri Harry Potter bakoreshaga bare byazaza. Buretse gato.
See you use it. I've never had
Kanyereka basi uburyo ugakoresha.
crystal ball.
Kugira ne bazaza hanye muri crystal ball.
Confess the ball is just a prop for tourists.
Ati ntago ari ibintu byo gukinisha ndabona mwabigize nk'ari blague. Uba iri serious akati tukuja ku tourist.
But the palms are for real.
Ushaka kutizera iri crystal ball ariko ibiganza byo abari ibyanyabyo.
For life.
Ndarahira ku buzima bwanje ibiganza nibijya bibeshya palms never lie.
All right. Say no more.
Hey, usawe uvuga byinshi ngwino ndebere. Ndebe ikiganza cyanjye kivuga.
You don't like to stay in one place.
Ati usanga uri umuntu udakunda kwicara ahantu hamwe.
And you don't wish to grow old.
Kandi ntabwo ujya wifuza gusaza kandi nkuko manika niko ameze.
You wanna be a bad boy your whole life.
Ushaka kuzaba ari umusore uryoshye ibihe byawe byose.
Oh yeah. Ladies.
Kumbe umukobwa wavuze imyanya by'umanika niko ameze.
Yes, I see much physical exertion in his...
Niyo mpamvu wari mu dusiporo umukiri mutoya.
I like her.
Ko baramwishimiye pe. Arashimishije.
What about my boy over there?
Ngaho soma ibiganza bya mushiti wanjye.
What does his say?
We ikiganza gisobanuye iki? Wowe ufata ikiganza ngaho katurebe. Urebe.
You wait.
Oh, I'm excited.
Mana njye natunguwe pe.
What?
Ko bafata ikiganza.
What is it?
Gikangamo. Yewe ni iki? Ntiyavuga.
Ladies, they love you too.
Yewe nawe abagore baragukunda. Asa nkaho ari ibyahishe.
Okay, and what else?
Hanyuma n'iki kindi wabonye?
I thought you didn't believe.
Ariko bambwiye ko ibintu utajya ubyizera.
I don't believe. I just...
Ntabwo mbyizera gusa.
I don't know. Curious. What else?
Mwana mfigize amatsiko gusa n'ikintu ubonye.
What you see?
Wambwiye ibintu ubonye wambwiye.
No, you have a strong faith.
Ugira ukwizera gukomeye. Gusa.
But what?
Gusa iki?
But you follow a false idol.
Sorry, doll. You whiffed that one.
icyo bazi giswase
is a non-believer of the highest order.
ntatu niwe muntu wo ku rwego rw'ejo uzajya kwizera.
Just not for long.
Arizera ahubwo ntabwo ajya yizera by'igihe kirekire.
Dai Peter?
Mwamuje ne pizza cyangwa iki? Ahubwo sanga hari ibinda muhishe. Kadufata ikintu cyo kunywa.
Why not?
Kicyambuza kunywa se. Bakiraho. Hamwe nyirabuja ya Tanzania biciri babiteho rwose.
No expense, huh?
Bwana bintu natari kabisa. Abiri byo twabateguriye. Abo dufurui. Bazana ko dufurui.
Dili, открой шторы.
Afgani kiri mbatazi.
Заткнись.
Arajugunye. Asuke kibazo. Maniga vayo. Aho no muri hoteli. Sanga yirukanye abakobwa yewe.
Don't want those doors open.
Yewe ifa amadirishya yafungura. Kugira ngo yinjire akayaga. Murye rwose ameze zamureba hanze.
Close the curtains.
Ndavuze ngo funga marido nonaha. Funga imiryango.
You grump, I love this. Look, you can see for miles here.
Maniga rebye neza. Arajye hakurya. Kwinda tane. Isasu. Byanyabyo. Oh. Wa mugire vuba vuba. Banza babagambariye.
Yeah.
Kandi meze neza.
You see?
Hakurya kuyewe. Uramubonye ndamubonye.
Southwest.
Ari kwinda tane. Majyepfo y'Iburasirazuba y'Iburengerazuba. Southwest.
Paper glass reinforced.
Cyari bita.
The shots are off.
Mwana ba.
Shut those drapes. Where's that remote?
Telekomandire dufungane amadirishya. Tayare. Ngoma sasu. Kumbe. Aseriveri nabo nabicanyi. Ya seriveri kazi. Karamwataka. Mujari. Vuba byihuse.
Keep your head down.
Barakira umutwe hasi. Barahaguruka. Ndabyicamurira. Kick. Gakobwa. Ndakubwiye kuri bitandatu byawe. Urya cyo ku giti. Ukwezi kwose. Rakayuri. Kick. Yajya mugakogora ko. Turore. Baba tumya habicanyi. Taje barimo. Gakobwa. Samuzonga ye gutata dicaho. Kamuze yewe ubusniper hakurya. Atambika gakobwa baraga. Chepwe tawe. Oh. Seriveri wunda vayo. Aza kufuata telekomandi funga marido. Kick.
Shit. Fuck him up, Sam.
Samu mani. Arwana Samu. Agishize. Imbere ye. Kiri kuri opposite n'idirishya. Nabundi. Wapima yapima. Igi seriveri. Samare marakitsimbamo. Asenze sha. Seriveri. Seriveri. Nakubwiye. Max mavu. Kuri bitandatu byawe. Byashoka kwezi kose.
Come on, stop toying with it.
Mani Samu akubisha umusaza ukagukina inzozo mburaga zawe. Mani umusaza nawe nindwanye. Bagabo ziragigira. Mushira hasi. Mucisha bugufi.
Who do you work for?
Ukorera ndi. Kirya hapando. Yewe habura gato. Oh. Yewe. Bagabo. Oh. Chivaze. Pena mazuru.
Goddamn curtains are open.
Mana marido arafungwe mwana.
Focus.
Sam focusing.
Assholes down. 2 across the way to go.
Abasenza bari hasi abandi babiri bari hakurya muri etage. Bini bikiri ku. No kubera iki. Tutek.
Sam, your phone?
Sam telefone yawe.
It's in my jacket in the back.
Nahise kuja kwete mu cyumba. Yawe se. Nagahiri nahagera.
Case.
Case.
Naza kasi yawe yimbunda.
Get to it. Where's your
Case iri kuri kontwari y'akabari.
side on?
It's it.
None umwande imbunda ziri kure.
Bedroom.
You put it in the safe? Why did you put it in the goddamn safe?
Naraza kuki imbunda yashyize muri safe mwana.
I don't know. I just wanted to put it in a safe place.
Nashaka kwikirana warinzwe n'amabara yashyize mu kabati.
Shit. Fuck.
Anda.
Leave my cover here.
All right, Ken.
Mani Ken.
You got a spot to move to?
Nakuhano nagupfa kubusha ushaka kubusha gato agatakurasa. Highway. Hano ni filme yiswe take cover. Ja cover.
3.
And 3.
1.
Rimwe. Kabiri. Yana vayo. Chawe. Bamara sirju mumetso. Highway. Bana we.
That's my ass cheek.
Bana mumetso ande bara open the bro. Diran mwitsi hangane.
Yeah, I'm good.
Highway.
Lily.
Bana.
Lily, listen.
Riri tuza we mwaba kamutuze.
Stay calm, okay?
We tuza muko.
Head down.
shira umutwe wanyu hasi gusa
You understand what I'm saying?
uranye ibyo arimo aravuga cyane
Down.
mubwira amagambo ari kuvuga
Lily, smiri se.
bafite ikintu bavuga ari igicunshwani
Lily. Lily, odgovori mi.
arasunika arumva
Slušaj.
yewe Lily umva
Stani.
basunika arumva aza gufite cyose cya blood pressure mutima uri guterera hejuru
Besides, we're fucked.
Yeah, but
mana turaraburije ya turaraburije nyine
None.
twari dutekereza
come on, Ken. This is what you do, right?
Ken si ibintu Ken ibintu byo dukora si byo
This is your shit. What?
Ken wowe uzi kurebera sniper hari bivuze ngo ushaka kuba wamenya bitarano sniper ari aho umuntu yacica cyangwa yakwepera
What do we do? Think about it. Yeah.
mani bazutekereza nzo nabyo twakora iki twajije nganya mu sniper tukaba twavana amahoro
Yeah, okay.
sawa
Yeah, I got this.
benabikemura
Let me think.
baze nekereze
The lights.
amatara mwana amatara
Lights.
amatara
We can take a couple of lights out, okay?
tuzimya amatara makeya
Yeah, good.
zimya irya mbere niyo yazimya irindi
That'll do for now.
aho byakora wenda
But there are still lights.
ariko hari andi matara akiri maraka
No, we don't want it completely dark.
oya ntabwo dushaka umwijima kose haza umwijima
Why? Then they get...
They have
oya ntabwo twazimya amatara yose
night vision scopes on.
bashobora kuba bakoresha za night vision
Half light is better than no
bivuze ngo kuba hari urumuri ruke rutari rwinshi cyangwa atari umwijima
light, okay?
nibyo byiza
Girls, who has a phone here?
yango bakora n'utu telefone
I do.
ndayifite iri he
In my bag.
iri mu gakapu kanjye
Where's your bag?
agakapu kawe kari he kuri tabure
I might as well be in China.
hano nyagasani agakapu kari kurajya mu bushinwa
Lily,
Lily
talk to me.
Lily mvugisha
Talk to me.
kano katitiye namwe washaka kuvuga
Lily.
oya
Lily, odgovori mi.
Lily banza wumve
Lily, telefon.
telefone
Lily, ne znam da. She's so scared she's forgetting English.
umva yagize ubwoba kurya agize n'atajya kwibagirwa icyongereza
In her bag too, but she
igikapu mu telefone mu gikapu cye nawe
doesn't know where it is.
ariko ntabwo azaba yarambitse agakapu ke
Well, let's take a look for it.
ngaho basi ka tuyishake telefone ye
Stay down. Stay.
guma hasi mugo tabuje
You see her?
Yeah, I can see.
Sam uri kumubona ndi kumubona
Watch Sam for cues. Do not move until he says
komeza urebe maso ya Sam ku buryo utari bubuje sibyo aho uri aratekanye maniga baryamutwitse ku muhumetso Ken wakora biki
a fucked up version of Tetris with live ammunition.
bane twebwe ibintu twakoze kuva kera ibintu
Shot.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Dad.
bane bakurasha bakoze papa kubungira impu
Baby, I see it.
bane agakapu urimo nakabona
First,
Can you get to it?
hang tight, folks.
kazagerageza ndebe uburyo kirasimbuka
Wait.
buretse
Mona, Ken's gonna dive behind the pillar.
Ken agiye gusimbukira kariya kantu sibyo
Come to me.
asimbukire ku kuntu uza ku nkingi nawe ukisimbuka hano
Ready?
uriteguye
Ready, Ken?
Ken uriteguye
Right, 3.
Ken asimbuka n'umukobwa ahita asimbuka aza hakuno enda turuba cyawe sasu Ken itsimbano umukobwa nawe aza hakuno
Keep trying, son.
abazigerageza mwabasore mwana mwapima
Since I was an itch in my dick.
basukwa gusa
God damn it, you lunatic.
ari umusazi kweli
You're welcome, man.
kaza neza bro
You know,
bana mu mukandara
I've been thinking.
bana saa munani muratekereza utekereza ibiki
I watched a game of baseball last night.
bana ijoro ryashize nabyiriya match ya baseball cyo kibahurira muri Braga amasaha yose
I tried to tell you, bro.
bana ngerageje kubwira cyawe kano karangije bebwe tata we afite ubwoba
Stay down.
we guma hasi wakagora ikiwe guma hasi
Da se pomeraš, Lily.
uramubwira mu gicuncu hari ikiri biki wabo
Upravo ti je spas
Lily umva
život.
Stay down.
tuza uhame hamwe
I'm not gonna let you go. I got it.
ntago natuma uraburiza urumva
Ken, she's fucking losing it, bro.
Ken uyu mukobwa yatangiye gupanika atangiye gucyuha mu mutwe
Oh, yeah, baby.
agakapana gakurura ni Ken
I got it.
nakabonye agakapu
All right.
rangije
I need her security code for the phone. What is it?
nkeneye kode y'iyi telefone password
Koja ti je šifra?
avaga mu kirimi cy'iwabo
No, I need the security code.
nkeneye kode y'ifungura
I
telefone
need the security code in English.
mu cyongereza please
Please.
5150.
5150
All right.
sawa hari uwo yahamagaye
Ocean Valley Insurance.
Ocean Valley Insurance
May I direct your call?
ni gute nabayobora uwo muhamagaye
Claims case 6661.
mumpamagariye 661
Please hold while we verify.
mbaretse gato mu gihe tukirimo turaverifiya
Ken, why are you calling on this number?
call Ken kuki wahamagaje iyi nimero
Not be a code.
Code blue? Yeah.
code blue
We're under fire.
bana turimo turaraswa hamagaye nyirabuja
Okay, just keep talking.
komeza uvuge
Where are you?
muri hehe
The hotel.
turi kuri hoteli muri penthouse
There's nothing but windows and very little cover.
Ati rwose tutarano mama dupira mu mirahure nako mu madirisha.
Have an iron pin down.
Kumuka bwira nyina kuri kuri machine.
We're alive.
Nyina Sam rwose twaraburije.
Damn. Anything to add to that?
Hari ikintu wakongeraho?
Hurry up and get us the fuck out of here.
Umbarata Tamara agira vora y'uburyo twatuvana hano.
Any idea who we're dealing with?
None se mwamuza muhanganye nabo.
I don't know, but the shooter's in a tower to my southwest.
Nta kintu tuzibya kuri murasa imbare y'epfo y'uburengerazuba. Southwest.
It's like
ari mu nyubako hejuru.
an apartment building, office space, something like that. Either way, we're trapped and we need
Bisa
to
ngari ibintu byari byapanga ko umuntu ari mu ryari maradupima
get the fuck out of here.
muri etage rebana niyacu birebana.
Penthouse?
That's where you put us.
I did
aho adushize. Ntago ari abanyarwanda muri iyo hoteli.
Whose phone
Bikangamo.
are you using?
Haba telefone mu rwaje ni yawandi.
The massage girls you sent up as a gift, which I'm presuming
Abakobwa batwereje hano nkara abakobwa baje kudukorera za massage mwadoye nk'impano.
is
Ni
absolutely.
telefone imwe muri abakobwa bakoresha. Sasa Tamara baramwe ngo hotel batwereje bone turimo unati mwibekira ngare naboherejemo.
Bullshit.
Byo no umwanda.
They had the word of the day, Tam.
Bana abakobwa bari bazi n'ijambo ry'umunsi rituma twemerera umuntu kwinjira mu nzu yacu.
Are they still there? Alive?
Baracyari bazima si.
Yeah. There's a dead merc and the concierge was in on it too.
Imwe mbeko zijana nicyo umuntu yivuganye.
I was a secret
Ariko abakobwa baracyari bazima.
fucking ninja.
Gikobwa cy'igiseriveri cyane kimeze nk'ininja.
But the girl's a civilian.
Ariko abakobwa ni abasivili.
Are you sure?
Uri sure?
Yeah. They're scared to death and not faking it.
Ati ntago ari na faking nkurikije ubwoba bafite n'ukuntu batitiye.
I can tell.
Bibi ntago basanzwe bimenyera ibya gisirikare.
Then how did they get the word of the day?
None se gute wamenye ijambo ry'umunsi rituma mubemerera kwinjira? Kode yanyu y'ibanga.
We have them all, Tam. Someone set us up.
Ati ko biri koza dufite abasenzi batugambaniye.
How many people knew we'd be here?
Ase ni bangahe bari bazi ko turi muri hoteli?
It's a very short list.
Ni abantu baciye n'umunsi ngo dukorana.
Look, this penthouse is running out of cover fast. We need help.
Ati mwana ibyo ngibyo twibite naho abari bazi aho turi nta kibazo dukeneye ubufasha byihuse.
Any more assets in town?
Hari abandi bantu batweza hano mu mujyi bazi bakudutabara.
I have some favors to call in. Keep
Ati hari abandi banze guhamagara mbere na mbere.
the line open and sit.
Tavana telefone kandi mwicare mutuza sit tight.
Like we have a fucking choice.
None se tudatuje bwa nani mahitamo dufite. Kupege telefone.
It's triple up.
Bakore bato. Mutuze na hani mahitamo. Oya kano gafite ubwoba.
Yeah, they're sending someone to help.
Baba giye kwereza ubufasha ni mugirwe ibyo n'amasegonda. Mabuja rwose ni umuntu ukomeye cyane. Baramuzi.
Just gotta keep your heads down.
Ibintu byose biramera neza.
Tell her.
Turasaba gushyira imitwe yacu hasi.
Lily, ostani dole.
Uyavuga mu gicunshwani.
There. No, don't look.
Wa wirebayo.
See them, that means they can see you. That's bad.
Baramutse muhuje amaso bari bibi cyane. Umutwe wawe ushyira hasi.
They're gonna choose their shots. They're looking for a kill shot.
Ati uko biri kose barashaka aho bapimira nta kindi.
Okay? Keep your head down.
Mize ngo imitwe yanyu hasi. Komana.
Why are they trying to kill you?
Hasi ubundi niyo mpamvu iri gutuma ashaka kubica. Lili mbona arabaza?
I don't know.
Nanjye ntabwo mbizi.
You did something,
Ari ikintu mwakoze.
didn't you?
Sibyo? Umuntu zwe ntabwo umuntu yabyuka mu gitondo ngo aze kukwica ntacyo wamukoze.
We've done many things.
Ngana twakoze byinshi.
That's not why this is happening.
Ntabwo ariyo mpamvu ibi byose birimo biraba. Amabara yo twakoze ni menshi.
I don't want to die.
Ntabwo nshaka gupfa.
You're not gonna.
Ntabwo napfa ntabwo muri bupfi.
Yeah.
Bagifite umwana w'umukobwa.
You're gonna see her again.
Uwo muri uraza kongera umubone.
Trust me.
Kandi unyizere.
Oh, Lord God, please help.
Bana ndufashe.
Hey, it's all right, hon.
Waye mutuze.
He's coming. Just sit tight.
Hari abagiye kuduha ubufasha mutuze.
You know, the good guys.
Bantu beza baraza kudutabara.
Good guys like you?
Bantu beza nkamwe.
Yeah, like
Cyane.
me.
Abantu beza nkanjye.
If you're such a good guy,
Iyo uri umuntu mwiza,
then why is someone trying to kill you?
niyo mpamvu yatuma umuntu abyuka mu gitondo agashaka kwica wowe.
I told you, I don't know.
Nakubwiye ngo nanjye mwanya sinzi impamvu bari kumiga.
What did you do?
Hasi ubundi utambe ikintu icyo wakoze.
Hurt someone,
Hari umuntu mwababaje cyangwa?
and now they want to hurt you?
Byo ko byamera ko hari umuntu mwababaje nawe ushaka kwihorera. Naho bababaza.
Yes,
Ya, sibyo?
Yeah.
Ya niko bimeze.
yet you are the good guy.
Hanyuma ukambwira ko nawe uri umuntu mwiza. Ibyo ni ibintu bitumvikana.
We try to be, okay?
Umva tugeza ko abantu beza. Rero gerageza cyane.
He's speaking for himself.
Arimo arivugira.
I like being a bad dude.
Nanjye nkunda ko umuntu mu bintu urugo rwa Kedi. Kanu karimo karasenga. aravuga ikintu batumva arimo aravuga ibiki
This love and love is real.
ati arimo aravuga ngo Imana ni urukundo kandi urukundo ni urwanyarwo niyo magambo arimo aravuga umurabera mene neza sibyo karumetwa ariya ni karumevu karumetwa karume hano nu filime yiswe take cover kurya cover mukobwa yisameze buriya abasirikare bari bakajuga abasirikare abantu kurwa batangiye kweba kurwa gutera kabiri zabo bagutera injuga none se mukobwa we biratangana ati kugira ngo ibitekerezo bijya ahandi mfite imyaka 8 okay
What's your name?
harya yitwa nde
Her name is none of your fucking business.
Wazina ry'umwana ntago bikureba wakigabo we
Okay, fine.
mbasi mbabarire Fande aratangiye kwebye muri nekerezo
You are no soldier.
we nta nugura umusirikare
I know what you are.
zicyuri cyo
I've seen many of your kind around here.
nabonye abantu nkawe babicanye impande yanjye kenshi
You call yourself a soldier.
mwita abasirikare
Really? You are just a kid.
ariko mu by'ukuri muri abicanye gusa
I've read it on your palms. You kill for money.
ati nkunasomye ibiganza byawe mbona akazi ukora wica kugira ngo ubone amafaranga you kill for money.
What do you do for money, huh?
Ese mukobwa ukora iki kugira kubw'amafaranga
What I do?
ngibyo nkora ndabizi
You sell your ass.
nawe ugurisha umumetso wawe Ken ntakajyaheza ntabwo yaguhereza ati niba twica kugira ngo tubone amafaranga nawe urigurisha kugira ngo ubone amafaranga
Lecture us.
rero witugira inama
Do what I must to take care of my child.
njye nakora ikisabwa cyose kugira ngo nabone amafaranga yo kwita ku mwana wanjye
Why do you do what you do?
wese niyo mpamvu tumukora ibyo mukora twe turinda abantu oya
Doing a bang up job so far.
ntabwo mwakora akazi k'ubwicanyi ngo murarinda abantu izo ni inshingano
Is that your mirror?
iyo nimero wari yawe cyane
Give it to me.
yemereza
Quick.
gira vuba ndakamusunikira nk'umusirikare urebe fata kamera wari urebe areberamo
Who was it that hired you for us tonight?
We got a call from Mirko the consul.
ati ninde watumye muzanira ijoro atwahamagaye na Mirko
He said we were a gift.
ariko yavuze ko turi impano
Sam, look out!
bayicunga kumbe cya kigabo cya Mirko kirahaguruka Mirko ariko nawe natuma samwicunga mwana ariga Kenny tayari Ken arachambara bagabo baraha box bagabo bose ni ndwanyi sonya boy kumwicanyi rya nyabyo nakubwiye kuri bitandatu byawe urarya show ku giti ukwezi kose
I can't get to you.
bani ntabwo nakugeraho box bya nyabyo bagabo karenze kamera muri etage Ken itsimba hakuno Ken meze neza
Yeah, I'm good.
meze neza
You see the phone?
abana telefoni
Phone?
telefoni
Yeah, I got it.
ya ndayibona
Yeah,
ya ndayibona
got it.
ndayifashe
Good.
ayiwe geza cyane
Hey, Ken.
Ken
Yeah.
yego
Thanks, bro.
koze bro
You saved my life.
rantabaye mwana cyamushuti
Don't worry about it.
no bitindeho
Worry
urebe
about it.
sasu daciye muri Kani cyebwe datawe
Don't worry about it.
we bitindaho cyebwe bapimye mu rubaho rirahinguranye
worry.
datawe Kani Ken amasasu y'abasniper yari remereye atishije muri triplex Ken maniga tayari Nanda eske
Shit!
Oh! Ibyo bari bazi yuko hey filime yiswe take cover
I think he's still breathing.
Nachaka kirimo arahumeka
He's breathing?
Ndacyahumeka
Yes.
yego
You sure?
uri sure
Bleeding, but still breathing.
arimo aravosa ibyo kirimo arahumeka bleeding but still breathing
Come on, Tam, please.
Tam. Ayo kamara nyirabuja Tamara Mana we.
Oh, bullshit.
Mana twese turaje turapfa.
Oh, bullshit.
What's she saying? What is she saying?
Scared, what do you think? She's afraid we're gonna die up here.
Afite ubwoba bwo tugiye gupfira njye maravuga ngo muratekereza ibiki.
All right. You tell her.
Ngaho mubwire.
Tell her it's gonna be okay.
Ubwiye ko biri umere neza sibyo? Turava hano kandi turava amahoro.
She doesn't believe you.
Ntago ajya kwizera.
A killer's word means nothing.
Ati ijambo ry'umwicanyi iteka nta gaciro rigira.
To anyone.
Nta jambo ry'umwicanyi rya gaciro ku muntu wari wese.
I told you I'm a soldier.
Nakubwiye ndi umusirikare.
Protect people. We are bad guys.
Twica abantu babi.
We don't have another choice.
Who?
Udukurikije ndi.
Your government.
Urinda abaturage ukurikije leta yawe cyangwa?
You really think that makes a difference?
Uracheka ari tandukaniro ririmo se?
When my baby girl was only 1.
Ati gihe umwana wanjye afite umwaka umwe.
Her father was gunned down in the street.
Ati ise bamurasiye mu muhanda.
Why? Because he thought my husband was someone else.
Kubera ko bacha ko umugabo wanjye ari ikindi kintu. Nicyo nyine bamuhoye.
This killer also worked for the government.
Umwicanyi wica umugabo wanjye nawe yavuze ko yakoreraga leta.
But they got it wrong.
Ariko bari baribeshye ku mugabo wanjye.
Cost my husband his life.
Baranje bamwambura ubuzima umugabo wanjye.
Or her father.
Umukobwa wanjye yitaga se niwe bishe.
That killer thought he had good reason for what he did too.
Ati nuwo mwicanyi wa munsi yuva ko yarafite impamvu yo gutituma akora ibyo yakora kandi yumva ko iyo mpamvu ari nziza. Ariko ari umuryango yasize umwana w'imfubyi n'umugore amugira umupfakazi. Telefone raso. Taba telefone ma.
Sam?
Mvaneze ko ari amakuru meza.
What's wrong?
Sam ikibazo ki?
Where's Ken?
Ken ari.
He's down. He's hit.
Ari hasi yarashwe.
He's unconscious. I can't get
Sana wahwereye.
him, but he's bleeding.
Nago nakwegerana rusubya kare marava cyane.
We need a medic up here, Tam, now.
Ukeneye ubufasha bwihuse n'ubuvuzi.
Quickly.
Vuba byihuse.
Ken's a tough nut to crack.
Ken era n'umuntu ukomeye ntago yaraburiza.
He'll make it.
Araza kurokoka. Buryo nyirabuja avuga.
Do you have a visual?
Waba uri muramureba? Cyangwa uri kureba hakurya bari kubarasa bari bo?
I'm using a mirror.
Ndimo nakoresha kamiruwari. Arongera arareba.
Okay, go.
Sarimo ndabareba noneho.
I have a team almost there. Watch for the flashes.
Ati rwose mfite ikipe irimo irajyayo. Nta kimenyetso uri kubona?
Watch it.
5.
Urimo aracunga.
4.
Gatanu, kane, gatatu. Bona akantu k'akamenyetso.
Are we clear? Is that confirmed?
Wababonye akantu k'urumuri?
I need rock solid fucking confirmation before
Ati nyine rwose kuma confirmation.
he can move.
Mbere yuko mugenzi wacu ya moving.
Room is clear. You're good.
Neza ko biri clear. Meze neza Sam. Bonye ko ari bagenzi babo Tamara yohereje muri etage irimo abicanyi amuhe na sinyare y'akantu k'urumuri.
It's safe?
Ibintu biratekanye.
We're good.
I'll send the team over to you.
Naje mbohereza ikipe za kubavanaho.
Chances are they may have assets in your hotel.
Baza byanga byakunda ari ibikoresho biri muri hoteli murimo.
So just stay calm.
Bivuze mutuze.
Stay on the line.
Ugume ku murongo.
And you can stop hiding behind that pillar.
Ariko bibaye byiza barekera gukinira inyuma y'iyo nyingi. Urebe filime.
You find them all?
No.
Ako wababonye umuswa?
No, Sam.
Oya umusenzi urimo arabarasa ntabwo ndambona.
Not yet.
Aramubwira ngo uzaza barekera gukinira inyuma y'iyo nyingi.
It's been very
busy.
Erega nahoze mfite akazi kenshi.
It's safe?
Hasi ahantu haratekanye cyangwa. Mukobwa za guhengereza ibyo wabuje.
Yeah, it's safe.
Yambwe ko atekanye.
You sure?
Uri sure?
Yeah.
Cyane.
Why do you believe them?
Hasi kucubundi ubizera.
Look, I just saw the flashes myself.
Bonyariya ukantu k'urumuri ba Mike flash.
Okay, it's safe. We're clear.
Ahantu haratekanye.
You first then.
Ngaho banzu ugendereye n'abatekanye. Samu fata hana akantu anaga gasego.
See? Told you.
Nakubwiye baratekanye.
Do it.
Ngaho rero bikore vayo.
Find that pillar if you're so sure.
Hasi ubundi kamubaze. Kubura inyuma y'iyo nkingi nibyo biguha icyizere cy'uko ahantu utekanye.
Hey, Tam, you got eyes on us?
Haza Tamara urimo uratureba.
Not yet. I'm working on it.
Ntago ndimo ndabareba ariko ndimo ndabikurikirana.
And how did you
maniga kari ubwenge
know I was
nibwo twamenye ko
pillar?
narindi nyuma y'inkingi ukanya namubwira ati uraguma y'inyuma y'inkingi paka ryari mwanda nyirabuja amenya gute kari inyuma y'inkingi.
Nice try, Tam.
wagerageje Tamara.
Got me to check the flash so I'll be convinced.
wambwiye kugira ngo ndebe ruriya rumuri kugira ngo nanjye undangize. uri umuhanga.
Very smart.
uri umuhanga kuko wa mugore we Sam.
Did I not realize what a
ni gute namenye yuko
fucking liar you
warana n'umuntu w'umubeshyi
before now?
kuvana mbere sekamo kumenyera buje n'abagambaniye
What they want to be true rather than what is.
ata kenshi abantu bakunda kwizera ibyo umuntu ababeshyi ko ari ukuri kurusha ukuri kwa nyako.
What the fuck are you doing, Tam?
Tam urimo akora ibiki?
What are you up to?
ubugamije iki?
Retiring you.
turimo turakwirukana mu kazi.
You insisted on it.
warakomeje uduhatiriza ngo ushaka kuva mu kazi.
God damn it, how could you do
mwanda
this to me after all these years?
nyuma y'imyaka yose dukoranye Tamara niko utakora ibintu nk'ibi.
I like you, Sam.
Sam ndagukunda.
But
gusa
I don't see things in terms of right and wrong. That's not what I'm paying.
usibye ko hari igihe ntajya mbona ibintu mu buryo nk'uko nawe ubibona. hari igihe ibintu wumva ko we uri mu nzanzima ariko nyamara ko uri mu mafuti. kandi ntabwo aribyo nishyuye gukora.
Job is to solve problems.
ariko njye akazi kanjye ni ugukemura ibibazo.
Problem is,
kandi ikibazo ni kimwe.
we have a man like you.
dufite abagabo nkawe.
Who has a very specific skill set, who doesn't
kandi bafite ubuhanga nk'ubwawe.
work for us anymore, which is fine, but what we can't have is you
usibye yuko ntabwo twakwemera ko umuntu nkawe wagenda ngo uducike kuko hari abandi bantu duhanganye. bivuze ngo uramutse uvuye muri kano kazi nongere kudukorera abandi baramutse baguhaye akazi ngo bakorere watumara.
One of our competitors. So
hari abantu benshi hano duhanganye kandi bafite amafaranga. rero igisubizo ni kimwe.
we take you off the board.
tukuvane kuri board tugurangize. nababereye umunyakuri.
You were. But our profile on you suggests you have too much empathy.
erega wa mugabo we turabyumva nta nicyo binatwaye.
And you're losing your
twakoranye neza wadukoreye akazi twagusabye. ariko ikibazo ni kimwe.
direction and you
kuva urimo urajya mu cyerekezo kibi bivuze ngo undi muntu twaba duhanganye uri umusore w'umuhanga twaminiyaga. rero ntabwo twakureka gutyo ngo ugende amahoro. gahunda ni ukukwica nuko bimera.
Hello.
aha kugira ngo uve muri kano kazi ugende abandi baguha akazi uze uduhitane nawe ubwabo baramutinye.
Me. Why Ken?
none se ko rije mwashaka kwica kuki mwishe na Ken?
talk too much.
wibaza byinshi. Ken nawe yaravugaga cyane.
Personal, it's how
ntabwo ari ibintu biri personal.
in the private sector, Sam.
umva akenshi muri private sector cyangwa se
It's far from the first time.
iba ifite management yayo.
What the fuck are you talking about?
ase undi muravuga ibiki?
How do you think you two got started?
abo nicyo utekereza ko mwembi babiri mwatangije?
Dubai? Ring any bell?
uribuka ibintu akazi mwakoze muri Dubai nta kintu kakwibutsa?
Saying we killed our own?
utwishe bagenzi bacu se?
You removed a couple of liabilities.
cyane rwose muri Dubai mwishe bagenzi banyu
Now you're replacing
uburyo mutazi.
the same thing.
kandi abo bagenzi banyu mwishe no bagomba kubasimbura. no bagomba kuba replacements zanyu.
Did 2 shots. No.
abo bagenzi banyu mwishe ni abashaka kuva mu kazi nkuko nawe uyu munsi ushaka kukavamo. rero iyo umwicanyi ashaka kuva mu kazi tumwoherezaho mugenzi we akamuhitana. niyo mpamvu nawe aho ngaho uri aho bari kuguhitana ari abo twakoherejeho.
Were any of my kills good?
kandi nawe urabizi ko uburyo nica ni umuhanga.
All our kills are good kills.
umva uburyo abo uko umuntu kose yapfa twamugutumye ntabwo biba bitureba ari byiza cyane. fa kuba koze ibyo twagutumye. Mujinya! Shit! rero
What now? What's happening?
ntibikiri kujya mbere.
Being set up.
batugambaniye. kandi twagambaniye nabo dukorera.
You can't call for help.
bivuze ngo ntabwo wahamagara ubundi bufasha.
Or anywhere else.
erega iyo nyubako twayiborotse niyo wahamagara kuri polisi ntigiye ugomba guha uburenganzira kugira ngo mu nimero icemo.
I have control over all your comms.
ati communication zawe zose ngiye uzikontorora.
Your line, Ken.
umurongo wawe Ken abo bakobwa.
Okay. I see.
ndabibona.
You got it all figured out, don't you?
We own.
beno gose amaze kushyira muri gahunda. iyo nyubako ubu yose turayifite.
Have no cover.
nta hantu wakwihisha ntaho wasohokera. nta yandi mahitamo.
Why not make it quick?
waretse nka kwirasira ukanyihutishiriza akazi ko nawe uri buce.
God, you let the women live.
ngaho basi njye nyica ureke abana bagore bigendera amahoro.
Of course.
ibyo nta kibazo.
You give me a word.
umpaye ijambo ryawe.
I die. They're free to go.
njye ureke mfe bubareke bagenda amahoro.
Alive?
alive.
Absolutely.
cyane rwose.
You're lying.
ni murambeshye.
No.
ntabwo arimo nakubeshye. arimo nakubeshye.
Sam, I think you've been doing this job too long.
erega tama akazi nkakoze igihe kirekire ntabwo wambeshye.
You've forgotten what sincerity actually sounds like. You're
kandi ntabwo
fucking lying.
urimo urambeshya.
Too.
ndabizi ntabwo urabica.
Oh dear. I sense disapproval from the cheap whore.
Ndabona rwose nawe gakobwa gaciriritse karimo karakugira inama.
To relax you.
I am not cheap.
Ntabwo ndaciriritse.
Tam, you want me so bad?
Hasi Tam, niba ushaka kunyica cyane.
Why don't you come up here and do it your fucking self?
Waje wawe ukanyica n'ibiganza byawe.
Sorry, Sam. I think not.
Tam yangane ntabwo ariko mbyeka. Cyawe! Sampo. Barasa kuna birimo kakanyabwoba. Karaparika barasa kuna be yandatawe mana we. Gitara cy'amahanga. Kuyawe muko. Tajare mu rubavu. Bona nawe guma hasi. Yakomeretse ihangane.
She's paid now.
Umva urabaje kumukoresha agatego ihangane.
Well, that's why they shot to what?
Barashire kugira ngo umukobwa yikanga be mu bwihisho. Bamwongeramo yewe data. Mona tuza.
All right. I'm going to do something.
Arashinje kora.
When I go, he's going to be shooting at me.
Je kujana na mara sanjewe.
You pull him in the safe.
Nawe nyaro kure lili umujana ahantu atekanye. Bamukuru inyuma.
Say, when I say. You ready?
Ubikora kandi mbivuze uriteguye. Ndabusha n'ubundi barangurikira amasasu. Avayo. Ciao. Maniga. Je potata we. Ayo tata we. Filibira. Ayo afunga marido. Afunga maridos. Yewe amarido aribana. Je. Baicanyi bara.
Fuck.
Okay, Lily.
Nganda umva. Deba.
We're gonna be okay, okay?
Ramera neza.
We're gonna get out of here.
Ramera neza.
What you never know.
Tugomba tuve hano sibyo? Mana we. Lili. Baicanyi ziraha. Ana yose. Ah. Acha telefone irasona.
This is Ken's skill set, not yours.
Aterega ibi byose birimo birabane mugenzi wawe bipanze Kenny.
Stop embarrassing yourself.
Ereka kwitesha umwanya Kenny niwe uzi uburyo ki sniper uburyo wamukwepa wikwita umwanya.
Replace me with a fucking moron who can't hit shit.
Abashaka kunsimbuza bose ntago bampima kandi nabaso.
Lady Francine feels differently.
Ate biri muri ibwira nuko ikizira ko ntacyo natandukaniro bitanga.
She's dying, Sam. You know that.
Kobwa ari marafa Sam kandi nawe urabizi.
Just stop it. It's over.
Mva rekera guhangana byarangiye.
She was dead the moment she set foot in there.
Aterwa mukobwa n'ubundi akinjira muri iyo nyubako yaramaze gupfa kare.
Risk your life and nothing.
N'ubundi mashini muzango mu byago n'ubundi mva nkubwiza ukuri. Aba bakobwa akimara kwinjira muri iyo twe twashyize kuri liste y'abapfu. Bari nka ya filime ya Walking Dead barapfu bagendaga.
Dead, you know it.
Mwese muri abapfu urabizi.
Why keep torturing yourself?
Wikwibabaza.
The other side of this, you know how it ends.
Nawe uzi ko birangira.
Open area.
Hana ahantu hafunguye nawe kwica hari.
No cover.
Oya nawe kwica no cover. Sengera kagenzi ke.
You're not making it to your rifle.
Rega n'ubura ahantu uri ntabwo uri bugere ku mbunda yawe. Mbunda ngiriye hakurya muri case.
You can't get to the bar.
Ntabwo wagera ku kabari.
The elevator.
Ntabwo wafungura sanseri.
Get out.
Nta buryo ki wabona ubufasha.
End of story, Sam.
Nkuru yawe yarangiye Sam.
Turtle up.
Mani kura. Batano. Cyenda biforosa mugenzi we. Bari baje kora ka mashaje uwa mbere iremuro Sam ibintu byakurangiranye. Mani garangije fata cya crystal ball.
Hey Mona. Mind if I use this?
Arachazo ngoresha ikinazi cyawe.
That's why I have it.
Niyo mpamvu ngifite ngiye kujya gikoreshwa.
For luck.
Kubwa amahirwe. Mani garangije.
Luck.
Kubwa amahirwe. Pima cya kamera. Baratangiye. Ya mbere va mudabaza ajya kugira umujinya. Mujinya. Urebe. Kamera ya mbere barayikubye. Urebe.
I was trying to keep this clean.
Sam ibintu arimo arashaka kubijyana mu nzira nzima. Mujinya urazamuka.
Out of respect for you, Sam.
Rero kubwo kurenga kuba Sam.
It's going to have to get real.
None katubigira ibyanyabyo.
Messy.
Tubigira umwanda mwiza.
When I get out of this.
Tamara ndamuka mvuye na mahoro.
Gonna get out of this.
Ni kandi ndabiziko ndi buhave. ndaza nkwibonere.
Trick. But I don't even think you believe that.
Sinzi ko nawe ubwawe uri kuvuga byizeye. Arakupa. Nakubwiye ngo wabaye umusirikare rimwe. Mutima horori wa wundi. Mona wihangana kubwa inshuti yawe.
20 fucking 2.
Ko bwa rafite imyaka 20. Yarakira umwana. Ewe. Buriya namusirikare ujye ucikire njya bavuga ati no kukuka kanyuma. Nakora ibitangaza. Dukora iki nona?
We wait.
Dutegereze.
We can wait long enough for the sun to come up.
Tukategereza bukarinda buna cyapaka izuba rirashe.
Guys.
Kubera ko izuba riramutse rirashe. Urikije iyi nyubako iri mu burengerazuba bw'amajyepfo bivuze ngo izuba rirasira kuri yo.
Best you got?
Nibyo winyireje se?
Oh, it is, yeah.
Yeah, nibyo nakwizeza dutegereze izuba rirasa.
Assuming tomorrow hasn't set up any more assets, and that's a pretty fucking big assumption.
Bivuze ngo Tamara mu gihe izindi ngamo zicukura esanseri twatake twategereza.
So usually that's you on the other end?
Ntabwo mvuga ariyo baherezo se.
That's you.
Urumurashinga bari cyane. 90 shooter.
Thinking.
None waba uzicyo umurashi mugenzi arimo aratekereza. Nimba uri umusniper, iri muri situation nk'iyi, uba uri gutekereza iki?
Yeah.
Ukobwa aramubaza.
He knows what you're thinking.
Rero niba uri na wari sniper nkawe, nabashaka kwaza ibyo urimo aratekereza. Nkuko uvuze ngo dutegereze izuba ribarasireho. Ubwo bari muri southwest, amajyepfo y'uburengerazuba, tukaba turi muri east. Bivuze ngo izuba rirasa kuri etage turiho, rirasa hakurya.
Yeah.
Nawe arimo atekereza nk'ibyo nekereza.
Isn't he worried about the sunrise?
Ese araceka nawe adahangayikishijwe nuko izuba riri burase?
Not at all.
Ntabwo ari byo ari gutekereza.
Why not?
Kubera iki cyatuma atabitekereza?
Because he figures we're gonna run before then.
Kuko we azi yuko turi bwirukanka mbere yuko rirasa.
Figures we won't be able to wait it out.
Abasniper barambirwa vuba kenshi yicaye ahantu hamwe.
Even if we do wait till the sun comes up, by then we're gonna be cold and sore, cramped up, and
Maniga ifite icyizere.
Yeah.
What is he thinking right now?
None atekereza ari gutekereza iki?
Oh, right now he's gonna be pissed.
Byanga byakunda arabanza agira akantu ko kuyaga mu mutwe.
See, this was supposed to be a 10-second job. 1, 2, 3, bang.
Akesh umusniper wese abari marabara amasegonda atarenze 10 buri kanya ubara amasegonda 10. Iyo uje gukora akazi k'umusniper, uvuga ati amasegonda 10 ndabanisha umuntu ncomoke. Iyo rero bigiye kuba ukabona akazi kamaze isaha 2-3, umuntu ugomba kwica araho ureba ubanza kuyaga.
I wouldn't have fucked all that up for them tonight.
Atirangi akazi nagakoze.
The longer we wait,
uko dutegereza cyane,
the angrier he's gonna get.
Ati ni kuri ya musniper ari burakari.
But he's not hot. He's not raging.
Ntago ari bugira icyo abikoraho, ahubwo ubwonko bwe buratangira kubira cyane. Kuko umusniper wese iyo atinze gukora misiyo abari maratakaza amanota.
He's calm.
Ubu yatuje.
He's cool.
Yashyize umutima hamwe.
See, it's a battle of wills. And he's determined to win. He's thinking.
Ati zini ntambara z'ibyizere kandi ari determined azikari butsinde.
And the shot, the target, and the bullet.
Ubu umutima uri ku gipimo cye n'isasu.
It's pure. It's relaxing too. I know that's it.
Magomba gutuza muri we.
Because there's nothing clouding your mind.
Nta kindi kimuri mu bwonko.
No bills. No worries.
Akenshi abasniper bana abantu biberaho nk'abazapfejo. Ntajya hangayikishwa n'ibyisi. Awe ni kwahoze. Nare kuri yawe ni umupfutu.
You're not.
Undamwica kandi we nta kirube muko. Nuko yemeze.
Could you do such things?
Wose abikora ute?
You just take life.
Ni gute ubikora uri aho uri umwambuzi w'ubuzima bw'abantu? Ubikora ute? Mbona nawe umeze nk'umudahambana.
I need to get that rifle.
Nkeneye kubona iriya mbunda yanjye.
They're coming. Take cover.
Barimo baraza. Uguma huri. Maniga. Ato. Simbukira imbunda yi. Babima kuno kuri cha. Bizibure. Aragikupa. Hano sarije masasi. Umbe sanse sanga imira zamuka. Kumbe kure sanseri. Maniga fungura hakuno case. bohereje abandi bicanyi Tamara. Nakubwiye ku 6,000 byayo ku giti.net urya show kwezi kose. Naye biri ku cyumweru. Bayika yitonze nawe. Ararodinga. Bicanyi killer. Yauze muri ekipe y'abicanyi ashaka kuva mu mukino. Baravuga ati uyu musenzi abaramutse abonye ni kampani akorera yatumara. None bamwereje abicanyi. Killers. Oh! Yitonze. Yakubye za fizibure. Mugabo avayo abanza kuryama hasi. Urebe filimi. Areba muri ya etage iri mu mwicanyi. Hano harurebera sniper. Jisho ri horgurindi. Target. Bagabo. Bare kuri moto. Nakubwira cyane premier wumva. Chabitumuriro. Je wadatawe. Bare kuri moto. Iremoro cyangwa yapfuye ne kunepa. Oh! Nakubwiye 6 tujya. Ukubita iki whisky. Aramukongeza. Bongera y'umuriro. Inzaza. Hana itangira kure kuri myotsi. Tayare. Cyo bita umwoto we. Bice nzira. Target. Masasu we. Baya. Kuba. Fataga kobwa. Shira mukobwa hasi muri kadende.
Drop it.
Shira mbona hasi.
Drop it. Okay.
Sawa. Okay, sawa.
Drop the weapon.
Shira mbona hasi.
Stay calm. Don't hurt.
Sawa ngaho basta bazu mukobwa reka. Shira mbona hasi.
All right. Let's take it easy.
Bigenze gake.
Putting the rifle down.
Shira intwaro hasi. Gake. Sibyo. Kumbe ana cyicanyi.
Don't do anything.
Nicyo bari barapima ntago bari kumureba neza yakihishemo. Target. Vuba. Nagije. Hano. Bagabo. Kivana y'icyuma. Kimwe yatwitse.
Fucker on fire.
Usenda chomesha unchome. Bagabo tayari. Yawe. Mucho. Yawe.
Come on.
Kwira. Hasigaye sniper spotter wiwe bamuhaye kare. Hashenzi sha. Ururuzingwa rw'umwonjo. Kabana babano. Ificho.
Thank you
Wakoze.
for saving my life.
Kubwo kuntabarira ubuzima.
I told you. That's why I do this.
Nabikubwiye ibintu byo nkora.
To protect people.
Nje ndinda abantu.
When did you become a soldier?
Wabaye ryari umusirikare?
You know, when those 2 planes went into the towers, the world
Ati ubwo za ndege ebyiri zanjaga muri
Trade Center
za Twin Tower
came down.
Nege basinyaga World Trade Center.
It scared the shit out of me. That's why I enlisted.
Nebwo naye nemeye kujya kuri list abajya mu gisirikare. Nafite 18.
Shit.
Ati narinzi.
I wanted to do something that meant something, you know.
Nagiye mu gisirikare nsanga tugiye guhangana na Al-Qaeda.
Did 4 tours.
Nakoze tour enye. Afghanistan, Iraq.
Found out I was pretty good at it.
Ati nabonye kari byo nshoboye.
Signed me up for this
Nabuze umuryango wanjye ubwo basenyaga zira nyubako.
thing.
Ndaba kujya muri kano kazi.
We had to do things we weren't supposed to talk about.
Ati twemeye gukora ibintu tutashobora no kuba twavugisha iminwa yacu.
Met Ken.
Nibwo naje gura na Ken. Nibwo nabonye ko ari abantu bakiri bazima muye na Ken.
Felt like we were busting through all the red tape and doing things that we were told the politicians didn't have the will or even the guts to do, you know.
Ati twakoze akazi mugenzi aba politicians batubwira gukora. Bo bwabo bakumva ko nabone umuntu amenye ibyo dukora.
To see things in black and white back then.
Twavuye mu gisirikare ko bano batugira aba private contractors ku buryo baduhaga akazi kujya kurasa ibyebe mu buryo bw'ibanga. Twakoze cyitwa ama black operations, black ops.
But there right now.
Ati ibyo ari job yacu.
Doing the right thing.
twumva ko turi gukora ibintu bijyanye nabyo ariko mu nyuma barashaka kudukoresha nk'abacakara nta burenganzira bwo kuhava muri kano kazi.
It's a lot harder when it's your ass in the crosshairs.
Nibwo byaje kundenga mu myaka ya 18 ndajoininga. Nibwo joining the force.
And I may as well be.
Ati didi yapfuye naje gukurikira mu kanya.
And my daughter.
Kandi umukobwa wanjye.
Who will provide for her once I'm gone?
Ese nimpfa ninde uzamwitaho?
I have money.
Ati mfite amafaranga.
We're out of here. We'll get you both out of the country.
Kandi nzabavana muri gihugu. Turabapfuye ibitindaho.
You said so yourself.
Nawe ubwawe wabyivugiye.
You know what he's thinking and
nawe uzi ibyo amusinaye parimo atekereza.
He knows your every move.
Kandi ntambwe zawe n'ibyo upanga.
We're trapped here.
Bisa hano twafungiwe.
Way out.
Twategiwe hano oya.
There's a difference.
Hari tandukana n'uvuge yuko twafungiwe hano nta buryo bwo kusohoka. Hari tandukaniro.
What?
Irihe? What difference?
Better at this than he is.
Ati ndi umuhanga kurenza uriya musniper.
I can just get to my rifle. It's over for him.
Ati namutengeze ku munda yanjye Tamara byabira nako Lily byabirangiye.
Tamara knows that.
Kana Tamara arabizi. Ngeze ku murange gato byabirangiye.
Give me your hand.
Bameretse ikiganza cyawe. Asoma ibiganza.
What?
Kubera
You're a killer.
Urumwicanyi.
And a survivor too.
Kandi uri survivor.
A very good one.
Kandi uri umuhanga muri byo.
The palms never lie.
Inaga ibiganza bijya bibeshya.
A lie.
Uri umuntu urokoka intambara kenshi gashoboka. Bantu barabeshya, people lie. Palms don't. Bantu barabeshya ko ibiganza bijya bibeshya. Uri umupambanyi. Rangije.
This is my daughter.
Uyu ni umukobwa wanjye, Milena.
The address is on the back.
Adresse y'umwana wanjye iri inyuma.
Yes. If I die,
ndamutse mpfuye uzamwereke uzamushake
and help her.
Umufashe.
Money, school,
amafaranga y'ishuri buri kimwe. Everything. Help her. Please. Everything. Do it for her.
Talk like this.
Wivuga amagambo nkayo.
Trust me.
I'm not a trained soldier.
Ntabwo ndi umusirikare watojwe.
You are.
Niwe watojwe igisirikare.
And my daughter.
Kandi mukobwa wanjye.
My daughter cannot survive on her own.
Ntabwo umwana wanjye yakwishoboza kuba muri iyi si. Ntabwo ya surviving a struggle z'iyi si.
If you get your gun.
Ndagufasha kubona imbunda yawe.
Milena.
Kandi nawe unsezere kuzafasha umwana wanjye Milena.
Promise.
Sezeranya, promise.
Not with words,
atari amagambo,
but with your heart before God.
Ubanze umutima wawe imbere y'Imana.
And make it real.
Kandi uzabigira ibyanyabyo.
I promise.
Ndagusezeranya.
Before God.
Imbere y'Imana.
And I will protect her with everything that I have.
Nzamurinda na buri kimwe cyose nzaba mfite. Kandi nzamuha buri kimwe cy'umubyeyi wese yaha umwana we.
Okay.
Kandi uzongera umubone.
We're gonna get out of this.
Ibi turabicamo turahava turi bazima. Je te promets. Ikimenyetso nabika gafoto. Wowe ati nagufasha. Buja. Ebe Sanseri. Ara abandi baje. Maniga vuba. Yinje Sanseri. Sniper bana ham senza rancitse. Snipers. Yakuranga ba sniper mwabasenzi mwe. Kigabo ni kinini. Baragigira. Kigabo ni igisore. Kigabo cyarakuze. Kirangije. Kirahora. Kigabo ni rukuru. Cyawe. Sniper. Akabona ko nakiyambira ari kigabo. Cyarakuze. Yabora mugabo wanyawe akabaye n'amaso. Ndimo nakwica. Wicande. Atamasara yakanda. Senza nganza amaso. Tayari. Yawe. Sangije. Mugabo vayo. Habuze gato. Wa musenzi we. gifungura sanseri kumbe yavanye amapiri muri gurunadi aiwe tayare chebwe tata we kagabo tayari baraga harugo hayiryo munda kumbe wa mukobwa mona ndishe
For my Milena.
kubwo umwana wanjye Milena ariko yari tata bujyaga tata we kubwo umwana wanjye yari yahagaze munda oya maniga ndishyiramo ndangije barebana ndekuri sasu dore ngarabisikana bayise ndekava yewe tata we oh bandi mana arabivuganye oya
Why did you do that?
koze ibiki
Why did you do that?
kucyo bikoze kucyo koze biriya
Run.
twakabaye twirukanse umwana wanjye Milena iki basi uzamuncungire umushyize mu biganza byawe uzamuhe ubuzima bwiza, give her a better life, ubuzima bwiza burenze ubwo tukaba turimo, uzamwigisha gusurvivinga muri iyi si. Ntabwo nabikora, uzagira ibyiringiro, have faith. At palms never lie, ibiganza nibyo bibeshya. Bakiraho kumbe Ken.
Jesus Christ, Ken, I thought you were dead.
Nyamurutirigongo. Ken akuka karacyarimo.
No.
Let's. Wibuja.
Don't move. We gotta go.
Wibuja tugomba tuvano.
Move my fucking legs.
Nago najana babuja.
Fucker got me through the spine, man.
Bana chemurutirigongo amaguru yabaye paralize.
Move me, man.
Nago nabuja.
I can't move.
All right.
Nago nabuja.
Okay.
Samwana.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Anda.
Look at you, bro.
Banzaire muvandimwe.
Shot through the spine. They can't get you. You're fucking.
Mwana barashe murutigongo ariko nago bakurangije umwana.
Star.
Mwana cyara rockstar.
It's about time you notice, man.
Man cyo mbimenye.
Sorry about Mona.
Wihangane kubwa Mona.
She's a good woman.
Yari umugore mwiza.
She saved my life.
Mwana ya sister yantabaye.
Yeah, I know.
Ndabizi.
Now you have your answer, don't you?
Atu bufite ibisubizo.
As in what?
Ekis.
Why someone would give their life for some undeserving piece of shit, huh?
Mwana kesha ari gimu atanga ubuzima bwe kubandi bakwiye amahoro.
Save someone they love, right?
Yeah.
Ese umuntu itanga bakunda cyangwa?
You know what?
Razi.
I always knew you'd fall for the first hooky you spend the night with.
Atanaziko n'ubundi umutima uzatwarwa n'umuntu muzahura ijoro rya mbere ari umukobwa.
You're a cripple, right? Otherwise it beats your fucking ass for that.
Ngenzi Ken amasaha yose yiburaga muri blague.
Fuck.
Sanipa bamvanye mu nzira. Kanji ndafata imbunda ye.
No, man. Just fucking go without me.
Man, winjana ndeka mwana ndeka.
You understand me?
Ntago nagusigana mwana wanyumva.
I'm leaving you here.
Ntago nagusigana.
The elevator, the lobby, the stairs.
Mwana ntago twaza manuka n'ubundi sanseri abasirikare buzuye hasi bose.
Fortify our position.
No.
Byanga byaguruko byagenda kose ntago twaca muri sanseri. Baradufite. Mukuru ramuzana hakuno.
If I can't get up.
Muzana muri cya cyumba. Muzana hakuno. Aiwe.
Good news is, you're right about these sheets.
Man, nkuru nziza nuko yamashoka tuyafite ya silk.
Do it again. Are you fucking kidding me?
Man, kwa ya technique muri Beirut.
faith? No.
Gira icyizere.
It'll work.
Ntabwo byakora. Kiraho telefone irasona.
Tamara. She's behind this.
Umva mwana, Tamara ni inyuma ya byose mwana. Mabuja nawe tugambaniye.
That's why I was so heated you were tired.
Ya nubundi ntabwo yarashyushye mu mutwe kubera ko ashaka kuva mu kazi. Ntabwo yabishakaga. Itaba.
Hey Tam.
Bete Tam.
You still hiring?
Razakodesha abicanyi.
New team.
Cyangwa mapanga ushinga ikipe nshyashya. Kera uracyari muzima se? Mwana kabisa urakomeye ntabwo uri umwiza wo kwica.
Such a cunt.
Umuswa wa mugore we.
Well, congratulations, gentlemen.
Felicitation bagabo.
You've just leveled up.
Ubu nabazamu rwose muri level.
What are you talking about?
Navuga ibiki se?
Yes, shit.
No mwanda koko.
Shit.
Mwanda ukomeye.
From up top. You
Atiro nabayicenye nzanye.
priority targets.
Bamwe bamaze kuzamuka besikari bari hafi kubageraho. Esazeri mwayiturikije. Ureba neza.
Be what I think it is.
Abandi nohereje. Sinzwe muri bloke izo drone. Kumbe. Kwa mudamu. Yabohereje drone sasa. Ziriho imbunda. Turore. Mudamu arava kwizima. Jya mu kindi cyumba. Tamara nava kwizima. Basore babaraje izo drone. Manega yitonze. Avayo. Ebye magazine asigayemo. Manega afashe cya gishuka. Deba drone. Irabanza gascanninga. Ndakura. Yesasu. Nongera aragaruka. Ntabwo yabayikoreye ibisasu bibiri. Tarakurura yo. Banza kubura stability uburinganire neza mu kirere. Gihiri rya kabiri kamera. System tangira kujyamo akabazo. Tayari. Pima hani kinuza. Wa AC. Tayari. Manuka busazi. Harari rwa gaze. Kajaga pan. Bajia. Namutse ngo bajia namutse ngo iki? Let's go. Bane tugira bandi basirikare batezamo.
Drones down.
Bane drone hasi. Kugera hano yasanze Kenny yakarenze. Mushuti sura yerurutse. Bane basirikare manigara atafatira gishuka cya siliki arihambira neza. Vayo.
Shit.
Nanda. Aiwe.
Okay, Ken.
Sawa Ken.
Hey. I'm in your hands now, brother.
Ndi mu biganza byawe muvandi. Yamukoreye umutaka muri yashuka ibyo adagwa mu fashuka silk ngo bakomeye najya apfa gucika.
Oh shit.
Nangije. Maniga gize gutya. Muvandi nabikoze. Birakunze muvandimwe. It worked. Nabikoze mwana. Ken yasigaye muri etage. Hano no murejeni. Kumbe shuka. Tayari muri Mondays. Nganda. Kubese mwikamya mwenzangu.
Verification received loud and clear.
Wabigenze neza. Ora ku kimenyetso. Mwenzanga ririkira. Kumbe hakuno mjeni mbyazi Tamara. Hakuno.
I am a long way
bavuganaga
from verifying that.
Ati ndi kure yo kubiverifya.
You may be closer than you think.
Ati Tamara ashaka kunyegera birenze uko bikeka. Bisi baze kwicuma.
It's boring now, Sam.
Sam ibyo bwa biri kuba wa. Ahubwo urabeho tuzasubira. Tamara mugenzi yagambaniye ba Sam barakoranye neza. Tamara yinjiye mu bwiherero hari uwaje akora amasuku nawe yinjiye aho Tamara yinjiye. Babagasi umvara ikivuze mindani kumbe kakana harakana hano mugenzi kari kureba amafoto ya Mona kuko akarebaga amafoto wa munyamasuku yaraje afata kana kumbe maniga ibyo yasezereje Mona yarabikoze. Yaraje afata kana ke meze neza yemera kabera umubyeyi. Naga filime ndaceka ruko kageze bayita kate cover yari da premiere for real. Abaje mwakoze kuzamura abandi bakunda cyane nakugene mu bitandatu ku giti ukwezi kose karyacho nabawe ndetse na 2 ku cyumweru. Abaje mwakoze kuza na Star Vista